Let's move forward. The author of the comic book titled Let's Move Forward.
Sorry.
All right. Anyone from the audience? Huh? All right. Answer yang no say. Your second question. You ready? Who was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Economics 2023?
Claudia Goldin.
Claudia Goldin. That's a correct answer. 10 points for Team 1. Ready for the final question?
Sure.
The final question is, World Tourism Day is celebrated every year on 27 September. According to the United Nations World Tourism Organization, what is the theme for the World Tourism Day 2023? World Tourism Day 2023 is celebrated on 27 September every month.
Sorry.
All right. So the first one, let's move forward. The author of that book is Dharmendra Pradhan. The last one, World Tourism Day 2023 with Team G, Tourism and Green Investment. All right. So, second team. Ready?
Sir.
The first question. Who has been awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature 2023?
Yuan Fose.
Juan Fose. That's a correct answer for Team 2. 10 points. The second one. Who has been awarded with the Veer Chakra 2023?
Pass.
Pass. The last question. World Mental Health Day is celebrated on 10th October every year. What is the theme for the World Mental Health Day 2023?
Pass.
Pass. Anyone from the audience, the theme for the World Mental Health Day 2023? All right. Mental health is a universal human right. Who was awarded for the award for Veer Chakra 2023 is Binoy Roy Chaudhary. All right, ready? The first question, who won the 2023 Booker Prize?
Paul Lind.
Paul Lind. That's a correct answer, 10 points. The second one, who is honored with the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award, India's highest recognition for the world of cinema?
Amitabh Bachchan.
I'm sorry,
Pass.
pass. The last question. November 10 is celebrated as World Science Day for Peace and Development. What is the theme for World Science Day 2023?
Up.
Pass. The theme for World Science Day 2023 is Building Trust in Science. And Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement is given to Waida Raman. Team 4. Oh, mic check sudah di sini, Pak. Pasang dulu. Berapa ini, nak? Oh, sorry, tadi baik ini saya. Yo, ready with the first question?
Yes, sir.
The first question, who is the author of the book Tales from the Home of Wax and Wickles? Tales from the Home of Wax and Wickles.
Pass.
Pass. The second question, November 19 is celebrated as International Men's Day. What is the theme for the International Men's Day 2023?
Sorry.
Nobel Prize for Peace 2023. Nobel Peace Prize 2023. All right, time up. Team 4, you're yet to open up your score. The answer, the first one, Tales from the Homes of Wax and Wiggers, is written by Vijaya Raghavan Mati. Ready? Mike check. Who wrote the book? Who wrote the book? The Book of My Life, My Dance with Buddha for Success. The Book of My Life, My Dance with Buddha for Success.
Pass.
Pause. Your second question, Vinbax, VINBAX 23, is a military exercise between the armies of India and which country?
USA.
Sorry.
North Korea.
I'm sorry. Time is up. All right. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th October every year. So what is the theme for World Food Day 2023? World Food Day, 16th October 2023. What is the theme?
Pass.
Pass. The theme for World Food Day is Water is Life, Water is Food, Leave No One Behind. Vinbax is a military exercise between India and Vietnam. And The Book of My Life, My Dance with Buddha for Success, is written by Vivek Agnikotri. All right, team 1, 2, and 3. Team 1, 2, and 3, if they have scored 10 points. Team 4 and 5, you're yet to open up your score. Now we'll come straight away to the second round, which is of Naga history and Rupai history. So Arijit, and you get 10 seconds to answer every question. But Ari, second round by Hiliva, if the team does not know the answer, it will pass on to the next round, and the team, whoever answers the question, will get 5 points, right? Pass round. No negative marking, no negative marking. Each correct answer, you get 10 points. If you don't know the answer, you pass on to the next team, and the team who answers the question will get 10 points. Oh, sorry, 5 points. Clear? All right. Your first question. When did NNC form the federal government of Nagaland?
1946.
I'm sorry. When did NNC form the federal government of Nagaland? NNC.
1956.
Can you repeat that again?
1956.
1956. Aruji asi answer hangai sai time up the hang adam ji answer ji rip the vote game nimla. So I'll just give them the chance. 10 points. The exact date is 22nd March 1956. All right. Your second question. Who is the first Rupai theologian to receive a doctorate in theology from Sirambur University?
Jonathan Tumra.
Jonathan Tumra. That's a correct answer again for team 5. Jonathan Tumra from Lungher village in 1972. Your last question. What is the Nagalim word that we use for constitution?
Yezapo.
Yezabo. That's a correct answer again for team 5. So team 4, you may come and pick your lot. Ready? Team 4, your first question. Who is the first commander-in-chief of the Naga army after the formation of NSC and IM? Who is the first commander-in-chief of the Naga army after the formation of NSC and IM? Time is up.
General Ninkan Chimri.
I'm sorry.
General Anthony Ninkan Chimray.
I'm sorry. Team 1. You want to try? Team 1. Time is up. Team 5. Want to try? Alright, anyone from the audience? The first commander-in-chief of the Naga army. V.S. Atem, that's a correct answer. That was in 17th December 1989 to 22nd July 1999. Other way, Anthony Ninkan Chimray, sorry. Again, ready for the second question? The first Tangkul from the Rupe to become the Secretary General of Asia Indigenous People back, AIPP.
Kem Eshimri.
I'm sorry. Yari bing na atum da muku brong ka shabai na khang mi se answer ji hangai lalo. Time is up. Pass. Team 1. I'm sorry.
Epner.
I'm sorry. Team 5. No. Anyone from the audience again? He is from Langdang village. Huh? That's Luingam Lui Tui. Ready for the last question? What is the Nagalim word that we use for headquarter?
Okay.
Oking. That's a correct answer for team 4. So team 3. Ready for the first question? When was the Naga army established? When was the Naga army established?
1956.
I'm sorry. Time is up. Team 2.
3rd January.
Time is up. Team 1.
1949.
I'm sorry. Team 5, you want to try?
31st January 1980.
I'm sorry. Team 2. I'm sorry. We give 5 points. We give 5 points to team 2. The answer is 3rd January 1964. 3rd January. He gave a partial answer. 3rd January, it's 1964, right? Okay. Ready with the second question? The first president of the Tangkul Shinaulong from Rupe area. Basopi Lui Tui. That's a correct answer from Langtang village. 10 points. The third and final question. What is the Nagalim word that we use for finance minister? Finance minister. This one though, I did the correct answer. Time up. Team 2.
Chapli Kilon, sir.
Chapli Kilon, sir. That's a correct answer. 5 points again for team 2. Ready for the first question?
Yes, sir.
When is the NSCN GPRN Egoni Day? NSCN GPRN Egoni Day. Alright, time is up. Team 1, you want to try? Pass. Team 5, you want to try?
September 21.
September 21. I'm sorry. Team 2. Team 3.
27 September.
27 September. That's a correct answer. 5 points for team 3. Ready for the second question?
Yes, sir.
The first president of ANSOM. The first president of ANSOM from Rupai area.
Pass.
Pass. Team 1.
Set.
I'm sorry. Team 5, you want to try? Team 4. Team 3. Pass. Anyone from the audience? All right. Tennyson K. Shimray from Lungher Village. Ready for the final question? What is the Nagalim word that we use for foreign minister?
Ali Gilon, sir.
Ali Kilon, sir. That's a correct answer. 10 points again for team 2. We have only one sheet left, so we'll just take this. Team 1, the first question. Who is the first commander-in-chief of the Naga army after the formation of NSCN?
Anthony Shimray.
I'm sorry. Time is up. Team 5, want to try? The first commander-in-chief of the Naga army after the formation of NSCN. Time is up. Team 4, want to try? Team 3, Team 2.
BS attempt.
No, I'm sorry. NSCN, after that it was split into NSCN IM and NSCN K. Janatan we question ba jina NSCN IM the split sa kay the first kipalajan GVS attempt dilo. Aru ba na NSCN the form sa kay the first commander in chief. The first commander in chief was General Kohli. He was from Konyak tribe. The second question. Ready? The first doctorate and the first professor among the Tangkuls. Jirupai area win nila. The first doctorate and the first professor among the Tangkuls.
Dr. Ringa Hahor.
I'm sorry. Time is up. Team 5, you want to try? Team 4. No. Team 3. Dr. Mashangday Horam. That's a correct answer for Team 3. 5 points. It is from Pungcham village. Team 1, ready for the final question? What is the Nagalim word that we use for parliament? Parliament.
Pass.
Pass. Team 5, you want to try?
The Tadar Ho.
Tadar,
Tatar Ho.
Tadar Ho.
Tatar.
Tadar Ho. All right, that's a correct answer. 5 points for Team 5. All right. So here's the final score after the first and second round. After the first and second round, Team 1 they have a total score of 10 points. Team 2 they have a total score of 30 points. Team 3 30 points. Team 4 10 points, and Team 5 they have a total of 35 points. All right. Now we will have the third and the final round, which will be a rapid fire round. You can answer as much question as you can, and the time allotted for each team will be 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I will ask you the question, and if you don't know the answer, just say pass so that I can move on with the next question, right? If you don't know the answer and if you don't say pass, I will just stick on with that question and I will not move on with the next question. Clear with that? For every correct answer, you get 10 points. No negative marking, but you get only 40 seconds. Rapid fire round, you get 40 seconds. Each team, 40 seconds. And if you don't know the answer, you just say pass so that I can move on with the next question. Ready? All right, now we'll start with team 3. Or about 3, enough focus. Team 3, ready? The time starts now. What is Grey Revolution associated with?
Fossil fuels.
Sorry.
Pass.
Who is known as the father of botany?
Aristotle.
Sorry.
Pass.
Pass. The first Indian to be awarded Bharat Ratna?
Pass.
Pass. NACN Day?
31st January.
31st January. Correct answer. Name the longest dam in India.
Hirakutam.
Correct answer. The largest bone of the human body.
Femur.
Correct. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Tatapay Naoroji.
Sorry.
Pass.
Time is up. So, the other teams, you're clear with that, right? If you don't say pass, I won't move on with the next question. All right. Team 2. Ready? The first question. Silver Revolution is associated with?
Production of eggs.
Correct. Who is known as the father of modern computer?
Charles Babbage.
Correct. Name the first Indian Nobel laureate.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Correct. NACNs split into 2 factions, IM and Kaplang in the year?
1988.
Correct. The highest dam in India is?
Leh Dam.
Sorry.
Pass.
Name the largest gland of the human body.
Liver.
Correct. Who is known as man of blood and iron?
Pass.
Which country is known as the sugar bowl of the world?
Cuba.
Correct. Which gas is filled in electric bulbs to preserve the filaments at high temperature?
Nitrogen.
Sorry. Time is up. All right, team 1, you ready? Your time starts now. White revolution is associated with?
Pass.
Who is known as the father of genetics?
George Kirkham Mendel.
Correct. Who is the first woman IPS officer of India?
Pass.
When is Naga plebiscite day?
Pass.
The largest tribal community in India?
Minas.
Sorry.
Pass.
Name the smallest bone of the human body.
Pass.
Who is known as the grand old man of India?
Tatapay Naoroji.
Correct. Name the atom bomb dropped in Nagasaki.
The Little Boy.
Sorry.
Pass.
Which element is present in all the acids?
Pass.
Which the directive principle of? All right, time is up. So, team 5. You can pick any of these 2. Ready?
Yes, sir.
What is yellow revolution associated with?
Seat.
Sorry.
Pass.
Who is known as the father of history?
Herodotus.
Correct. Who is the first Indian to win an Olympic gold?
Pass.
When was the framework agreement signed between NSC and IM and the government of India?
3rd August 2015.
Correct. Name the longest national highway in India.
Pass.
Name the largest muscle of the human body.
Pass.
Name the last Governor General of Free India.
Pass.
Name the highest military award in India.
Paramvir Chakra.
Correct. Name the gas. Sorry, time is up. Now we have the last sheet left for team 4. Ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. What is blue revolution associated with? Who is called the father of modern economics? The first woman president of India.
Indira Gandhi.
Sorry.
Pass.
When was NSCN formed?
31st January. Pass.
You say the answer?
31st January.
31st January, correct. Name the largest planet of the solar system.
Jupiter.
Correct. Name the strongest bone of the human body.
Pass.
The first Governor General of Free India.
Pass.
The highest civilian award in India.
Bharat Ratna.
Correct. Time is up. Correction. Aga atang da thumda General Ningkan na hang he was the first general of the Naga army. All right. Okay, here's the final score. Here's the final score after the 3 rounds. Team 1, they have a total of 30 points. Team 2, they have a total of 90 points. And team 3, a total of 60 points. Team 4, a total of 40 points. Team 5, a total of 65 points. So the first is Team 2, 90 points. The second goes to Team 5 with 65 points. And the third goes to Team 3 with 60 points. So yari gdong na participants we want panglain actually pang pemios. All right, congratulations to all the participating teams. Thank you so much.
Yamilo. Yamise. Ishlagay Arui singwa gida leda klaya. Literary items being he interesting salak hai items being mangai kalachi matsatwa rang lakha sakmai jithe adam sa se Korea sada rin juipam singkai President Tangkul Katam now long till he nana lapam hili bum the lake of a stage rock Kamilo Kalahi Panglan he Rupek them now long Vice President Denny Muluna Pangsin Mirano. Jarin si pamhilim pam sila. Mapam dalay ka ba? Asama ladwida mi kwai sakay matangli Jiran Shimra President Naka Student Union Shillong. Jojan la pam libam lay ka ba stage pa kamilo. มาปั๊มเลยครับว่าอาชามาปังสิงไฟสักเอมาทางลีอิชีรูปเพกดำนาวลงยูนิตส์วี President บิงลีละปังสินอาตมคุยกันไงเจน่ะ Unit President อินะโคชกมีเกมาทางกามิโลคุยชูกดำนาวลง Presidentมาทางลีลุยเรชิมพุงกระตำนาวลงมาทางลีเปกระตำนาวลงมาทางลีนุ่งปีคุเลนกระตำนาวลงมาทางลีหลังตังกระตำนาวลงPresident บิงนะมาปั๊มเลยครับว่า Unit we member executive กุจิท่านละรักวิมไปเลยนุ่งปีคุเลนกระตำนาวลงตำมันสังไว้ซะสิเจน่ะหลังตังกตำนาวลงไว้ละรักคุยมิโลหลังตังกตำนาวลงหลังตังน้องเบิ่มรักสิละมาถึงนี้จิงไงกตำนาวลงมาทางลีนิวตุส้มก็ตำนาวลงอาตมาสังไว้ซะสิมาทางกามีสิมาทางลีชิริก็ตำนาวลงฮินาอาจุวีฮินาขนาวมสามเรือมาทางมีไว้ซาเรือพลาตินัมจูบลีวีมีโมรีซาดาExecutive ผู้ชง Unit President บิงลีที่คำมันนิ่งสั่นละฮีโมเมนต์ตัวนี้นะ Souvenir ฮีขมิกสั่นไหนฮีน่ะเจน่ะฮีนิ่งตรงลักอินทุมละคุยมิโลอาร์มาทังวีสิงกาคิดอะไรดักเลยฮี Extempore speech ไอ้น่ะด้วยเลยฮีมาตารังละค่ะhe will judge ping he will judge sami dak le ping la ye release mic chithai tam khui ka ngai kare sa da paingam simik uru trust we president sa le ana chen an le ye release chak mic chithai sa da khang ding ka mi lo kala state he will shong la ka mi lo kala he will panglan hi rupik tam naw long we vice president sami mbamra China atam sang khai honda nishin la kami seraulo reshang phungshok general secretary jing ripem KAS treasurer ning ripam ruiwa trustee leishingam K trustee ungri cho ungjan so KAS trustee ara atam hi uru trust partially mi sangda lei asina khuigam asina singam yawrena
Hello. Example we participants being atang list mi kai bing ji stage shong kam mi bere shong kam man no se cho yong chop kam yo lo example wa thang mi kai bing unit thada phanga me le kam mi lo chair thada phanga hili ka hai mios ning sinor hui shu gdam naw long shirui krasom phungcham be kuire lori gachu nghui kulen marem chingjroi kulen nongbi kulen chingjroi sibi new to som khomsom waleli khomsom phungre hili shokos ne tanore hili round ne bomos okay atom eresa le la khang ge quiz question ang han ge aju nei nu khnu ge pung timing ke ju jang li khnu dam dai ha kia dam li do ha ai acha price mi se ne adang jing roing japong basin kol ga jang adam li khnu la mi chung na ngo ge do adang isi uru dress basin tayang lo ga rang reu de le li mi ting kning ta yang de le je ting ga sha che de jing roing japong mai de do ning jing no lang dang wen chak ni Hello? Issue list miel gamar kra chang le chen da jibing jin kamelo jo list miel gamar kra tim chang le maka lùi chỉ có mất dòng sốc lùi xây mong ai lùi sáng khang jam nim này vào unit 32 ra là cái example lim bi thì nó mang cái là khang jam nim này cái tầm nào long president sao được lấy mình là kiểu cơ yang mình sai football lim bi thada ra sập là cái thì lim ya không có choka cái hiện dân này Hiwitili atom sai khwai debate zui participants bing na ready samyo lo debate zui bing lo ready samyo lo pat sa da ohu bai ka sa ku je atom sai khwai yang hello okay ready say re show when sequence one when ung man re 1 2 3 4 je na hi wi chair le hai dak le no wi topic ji shup kira first speaker wali minute khni mi ra prepare sa khoi laga anamutui pok leo second speaker ba na no wi lo chira ko jine laga ji minute khni mu chok phai mi re topic hi itong wi society li relevant sa dak le social issues ma ngai je na sakla ga na prepare sa laga ji mu lem re jogi da mutui phala kre ko khamutui tranje lumlawai na trang am dui lo mi trang ring phale re critical sa la kai na akadam thalai mutui re jadam li critical sa ba li points chung mai re lumlaw mang lim yang le ya mutui phala kai points sir nei ko thuk mai dom chuk workshop ko la critical sa mai da kham chuk ba li points bi re jena isi na points marking hi kyo khang mi ge speaker aboli mini khini ni mi ro khresa da creativity na points li 50 points fluency li 20 self confidence li 10 gesture in body language li 20 hoptoria okay ara atami hobogora issue time bigger na timekeeper na atam hang mi ro lot number 1 na no lot ra chum no
Kyashik baya atu wi mishun yang mibin yui kamahaya tu guina mirin simban thakna ka hai arihon mirin thakna simban hai da simku thadum semga ka chung khale hai ra kala simku kaing rok ta kala ringa oktu ringa phajina jilitang haida 심구 그중 거나 시리스 사람 खुलि문 알아 지키기 주에는 라클레 그거 커먼 거자 슈康우리 왜는 그러나 그러 심 탁나반 가이지 위왕에는 럼 여론 거라라 당하이러 여론 거라 위lum시라리 정서지 살아라 여론 거라 당하이더 탁나 심반 하이더 여론 거라 뭐 탈락이나 뭐 사쿠이랑 러거 어떤 머닝랑 러거 심반 뒤 하이더 그걸로 organization 물이 성바이투라
Warning, you have 30 seconds.
님실라가
ina Korea ungshi na nungbi clan kuyen ne aji wi lucky topic na substitute oja in government school wi topic by mune ngai bam jam ne ha government school kishem wi main purpose pava hada backward classes wiwang right to education wiwang semga ne ha Juvang government colleges being here, they have more facilities at a lower price. Ka Arihon na tum na taser lere tum shimkurla zangza ser lere government oja shukai ka school lim tam ji thengai mda thada subsidy oja park zangya government oja shwaki thada sequence ba sanglange thada na chumna exam tha khuira jutili section sha khuira chi thada qualification set ka sane kha chimning la achumna matam ji thela substitute a ka pak sangje thada katam now being wiwang ba sak jiwa sa je ithum rural area sa thai da thada higher ups na ka thai ba ma thai sal bai kha hi ithum wi alungli gzat nai ithum thai singrok sere Jivang are hibai park lay ka are itum katam now vivang yang ha hibai kapava pala kaim samne ka kacha we thada kai
Warning, you have 30 seconds.
Maternity leave katha or if you have any kind of emergency substitute park sangi for the individual as a teacher it may help ka katam now bingwang hi sa se da phaning hi na tangau ge ning sha
Iwi topic na Christmas lumshilau li mayor now na shinawi tresang laga kasawi sakz. Everyone Christmas every Christmas li mayor now bina shinawi dress ngawai laga social catering kata li any competition kata li tada chokes kata sa Chikthali kusang kuchung kiliye, chena mayor no bina sangai ko tada kata dang ro shilau na like Frank salah hang si chikaba mayor no shilau bina atum we alungni sang vai like Prague here Prague hi ngutum sa da sangai yang open salagai nei tum we area kita itum we apam kita liva pra kita hi open sala in basam ne ka mayor now na sangai ka ba ya mandir khwai mission sa khwai ya really lum la khwai sal ga open nine sang miao we hikta hi sak z aka ne de ne shan kuye Johnny she
Seconds. Next speaker, you have still 20 seconds to prepare.
Yo mình som ting mong lang hi shuri tam now long in represent sa nei kala iwi kamai topic na ishiru play we ning ka kala ning shom ni kam tha bong ni machine to ra ma ishiru play ning hak la ga kala ning shom la ga ka jam ning ka kala ning shom kam tha bong ni machine to ra ka jam for example chốt lá cái nòng là ngọc phải quy chế nhưng hực lá cái nòng còn lá cái tại đây ta chỉ nói vậy cái là nhưng hực lá cái nòng không được bóng đi là anh chỉ mang cái mấy nòng đó ta còn lá cái nòng ta cái là chỉ là không được là chúng mày ta chọc vào mấy nicht này
Next speaker, you have still 1 minute to prepare.
Kashi vaya azawi mushin kuyan kumyabing kala razangai unisagor iwi azil lagi to bikina argel sports vakwai kumbai da plan chalaka ngalangapai idum RKL tha vare jiga ithum kum chi da yut kra ngalang ga phai ninga yut kra na da krali wala ga ngalang ga phai sa ka pi tai isum rephai wak ba zat la ke yang lagai dum na RKL ra fai chi dang lang idum na chi dang lang phai khai sai guru chi are ma mang sang sa khai sai ka kham tha bong nei shin vai laga RKL lim mai si thang ai.
Next speaker, you have 30 seconds.
Like yang zin iwi lagi topic na network marketing. Network marketing hi itumuya bam hili knui tot ping na ningsang la kaya wat akhane network marketing hi na itum tangkhula bam hili ba tada reg sang lag chung khura mi bam dele online shopping itumuy ot manga tada market li itum misha mawa salala tada network wi online wi through na itum noi marketing chung kha sabai le network marketing hi nei thum knui tot ping wi wang wa occupation la a khang sang sak da le da lai thadam tam khui sala la education gi yo le ka wa da online wi through na kalan internet kle wi mangai na ithum knui tot ping na da online marketing hi sabai ka online marketing hi ithum na khamda bongai na mishi china ka ithum mikumo wang mag chung kha effect la rang sa pa ye chakshi effect la chung kha mi pa ba mai ithum na thalagai na kala thangmai lagai na mi shi china kha ithum moi mirin li la chung kha effect kala negative effect depression ga hi la chung kha ra dang sa pa ye online marketing hi ka phawat nei chi sala la ithum na thangkhamai kala education awiya bongli tyo kha education malaya kha ithumui mirin de chung kha effect sak bai le ye online marketing hina
Warning.
Abam the development makle abam li la chung kha development khrang sak laga reg sang chung kha li lang chon ba me ithum da thangmai la gai na shik chin da tam saran li kan khana la chung kha le bam ra ning shla ga.
Next speaker, you can start.
Pickup taring yara sangkai musun ku yang miping kala yar win thumbing li we khayak shi kala ring pha chala mi le aru i we khamaya tobing na shakzali ngala tha ka sang wi ngishan shakzali ngala tha ka sang wi ngishan ji wa ithum tangkul khre wa yi thoren habok laga sara shum kai ngishana ga da dong han thai le re hi we ngala thak sang wi ngishan hina wa ta ithum le kana ka bai kala ithum na ithum ija ajon wengra ija azwengra le shakaza le mayar ngra le watha sang khmi gi ija we le gi shi gi thaya khla ga sai da hangai ngishan hi ma ngishan hi minala yangra laga ithum wang ithum tangkul le ma athum chinawngra tangkul mi ping chinawngra le singrok lak lomok ji thei kui ba ponga khalang sai ngala shakza tam tharan ngala shakza laga church le kathar shakzat khwe laga ngala wele miyara shule wathan sang ji hi thada itu ngala wo shi sim ko na da ngala wele vài ông sang chính cái đó đang đi là chính tháo về mua anh đã đó bây giờ chỉ là đó và thắt sang mình cái thằng này sang anh đi xíu stress hina ka stress live sai jo. Okay. Good evening everybody. Ile amji dalina hoye ina long lori gju yana represent sa nai. Ile mikhai dobiki jers na fundraise we wang lotri ka sa hi mum sung nak jinai. Okay. Itum na papdang ilagay every jers se sang depend yang tada kasang gajam jile jutile every members sang gajam is tada rich kasa work sa week kasa wasar layang jeno ajila lotri wangdala itumli ticket ayawe here kongwi trak laye ina hi church lotri hi kasa hi advantage le disadvantage le merit le in advantage merit le church kai le mi khai do bi mom sung da ji na furnace sai mom sung da the reason is that mi dong hi gisang da maning da or like lottery sarai je da mi dong le lottery wang da ne hi mi dong le forceful sa ji le ba ye ne hi salo hi lottery kumilo even the masa pai khang jan pingli la forceful sa la every members he necessary supplement that every members li selected side over here fundraise wang church risang vai nei da hi gpang khui khai da la kawa mi jam dao ping jung sa wa atumi one day atumi what sak hai wing langman ji wa jang ora ka awi langman mi sang khai tharan
Warning.
ana chuena benefit masa mangsa ka kizila trakang lejine jena himam sumne masa phlongbra kizine he fundraise kasa he gjam da kuchung java hu benefit masa phamne or like if one of them get lucky and if they get the lottery that means he's lucky but other members could being lottery jam da being traka 100 will be akamang lottery li pasau 99% benefit masa mangjile jena lottery he masa phlongbra thank you.
Lekiang Zin, iwi kamahaya topic na election atam we repair now ADC and MLA. Repair now election atam li itum katado na I zang da isawa na tan da itum right leader li itum election mamim da itum vote masang day. Kiwangle ga no we vote iwi vote hi lupa ting kni na wana ralo kuyo day na zangai I zangai jana repair now na ji election hi itum na kama shunga leader jili masang mi thugada ana arama government wa pungjena ana nagala I wang represent wa sajitran ana kama shunga na decision ma khuir tuwe kiwangle jaga awa qualified la masathula awa kuchunga la matam khuithula awa kuchunga jana awa personal benefit wang pathwe da naramli government school li substitute ocha khleji juwang na dla iramli government school li substitute ocha khleji juwang na dla naramli dengi ungsa mi gi mungsa mil ga naram na akhali construction jili contract teu khami khwai ji mi akan benefit sampangai ga chimne naram li mi tharali shimlak tharali naram shimlak shakha jili mi tharali just police nom sung mi ka chimne ji awe ot ku bere chen na I chang da itum decision with le ko repair now kala election kup khaina ka thaw da itum BJP le jamsa da NPF le congress le ram naung kai pa khaw de shim khul ma khang han sok de election na kupaira atuma sagi ji ka cha with the seraira ka ram na bing ba church li an dang da program ka assembly ang da ding rok la ka khaing rok la sang da kling wat le de Shimkur now ra mang hang rok lok chung le jana repair now itum next election liver right leader li itum sang vai sa se thank you.
Good evening to each and every one of you present here. Since I'm not very much comfortable with Tangkhul dialect, I'll be speaking in English, please don't mind. Right? So today my lucky topic is Tangkhul mission will launch him. So sorry, I did not introduce myself. My good name is Ning Rasad Racing, representing Chinjarai Kolan village, Katamna Long. Okay. So the Constitution of India, Article 371E, give a special status to the state of Manipur, and we belong to the state of Manipur. We repay. Secondly, it gives a special status and privilege to many young youngsters present here, and the people of the population present in this area, that is mainly the Manipur people. Why it is so important? Because it can bring out the best identity of ourselves. Secondly, it is a avenues or a way to explore and to let know the rich cultural identity to the world. And secondly, it can also bring social harmony and peace to the society. Thirdly, it can also bring a development, and it can also bring transformation and change in the society. Fourthly,
Warning.
it can also bring the unity and integrity within ourselves. Last but not the least, it is a sign that we all belong to the same ground with the bond of fraternity, brotherhood, and sisterhood towards one another. Thank you so much.
Laikyang zin hari lirazang kaya kaya shigba ya itumui machine ko yang me bengal lirazang kaya numsai gora ari iwi kamaya topic na nisha band the nisha pan ke hiya khresa da hiwi ka khala tham yaw hi ki ka sagla jiga nisha shigichin kala khlo khayor hi ka kham ke jine the khresa da in his support sai ke jiwang khala ke je nisha hi ban sa bulungra. In the year 2021 census, more than 30 people have been died under teenage years. More than 30 people have been died. Shall we condemn that? Is that because of God's will? Secondly, Nisha Band, we should support it. In the year 1839, China fought Opium War. It was because they knew that the following generations will be deteriorated because of the British imposed opium on those Chinese land. And then thirdly, we should support this statement because even it affects our health, and even it affects our brain, and it will degenerate the future life of human being, and there is no scope in the future being. So we should stop intoxicating and selling and using of these intoxicants. And then fourthly, itum nisha ikam pelung re kyuwang kala geje nisha kesing saran shimkur kai ngesegai nana aruan hilik kaharnau kan na zam tanga thorga bodala ka mangi jile keje kitava.
Warning.
Hapta ka dalwa shaibai le dai hi nisha hi pansa pelung re tum tang khole kala kamat ga phangasa da nisha ka shai hi na itum ling mung sak talai nisha zamang laga ngmung rak laga sa ta tawe ta chili phen vai de le dai intention le laga ngmu sa la bai alisa ta tra ta sa la bai ka jinisha mang rek laga anganam khwing sak rek laga sa ta kai jung khale ye ji tra ka shok hai nei kala ka thru ka sa da nisha hi na thumuli.
Time up.
Okay, thank you.
You are mean Pikun Rising in a big now log in a represent Sane. Aje you lucky topic na poppy plantation. Poppy plantation he itum kutong on a taser get you out there. He means had itum income pack that we vang in a hikatamaka or disadvantage lay lack a high plantation kasahi means had itum kunuitot pingli sakazrahale gaja kunuitot pinghina araba ari arai shikajin hili akajang salaga. Shimkur kakai kala khangmu khang shao kushok wi wangina itum society hidra harot mradai re kala ari poppy plantation kasahin itum society mangli sa gazum ning la ari cultivation wi pongli la itum wi fertilization jikha wi pongli tra hasa gazle kala araba khnui thot pingli main sa da kha da sa zklei jikha wa hi itum da nisha shigjin ne da Mirili kajot kajang or depression state li zang hai tharan itum na kanui thot ping na hi shijin laga or are just relief sak vai na atum kala da relief sak vai hi shijin laga shimkhur ava rot khamrat kala kai khana hi nisha hi etikta hai wi wangi na shimkhur le ung mơ là cái paisa đơn điên ở ung bò là cái sim khurot kamrat ra khá shoge chui vang ấy na itum khnui thot hi cái chung cái chana hui addiction ấy na shoi khai hui vang itum poppy plantation hi khok khasa da itum na hi cái thai hi mu shok lui khawai cái itum na precaution phải sẽ ni sai
Like yang zin ina kya sip lungi ja musun mukhi yang khamya beng iwi khamaya topic na khani thot na ga yur wiwang malung gazang suida hai re gine topic hi thada thana ye naga go he dangho namang nim ko naga hi yur gusung le ko tribal aru ki ga nagaland mang nim ne dangho namang nim ne aru ki ga mau bomwe ki chung le ye ka hile topic mi dak leba hina arui ki ga ishi tangkul bale focus ala khmine da khuye mulung jang sudai re suda phung re chikhawa hi gzangkhan nai thada ka big dulam ning nai arui hon hi ithum la whatsapp le la arui ki ga phone thale la sambhangai arui ki ga hebron le meeting ku ga dak leje ishi naga we wakhar aina ariki ga oja hanshi ani wili conflict le ye itung buton na thei dak le nai laga khiwaina khunidot bing na mulung kazang hi su daw bika kajibali surura oja hanshi li surga wakhar li sura hi gteu ga na itum muzuki ropena wa kasada muzuki jiko mulung jang sudal phungre kajibali to mura itum la rik dam kwerwo eme go bare lungba se banga yuru se ba sanga e khathal kajibali wa uje mulung jang sudal phungro wo han jiuli la banga e aba ghar le banga e kajibana kamshung kibana justify samira je Jenam Lungzang Suda Bungre.
Time up. Time up.
Thank you so much. Okay, hello. Participants don't leaning share. Topic Shata Funga Taile, originally Kong Hungry. Topic sir ne audience winner. Mut come to him Zangra. Jo Aka Kalo Jo audience winner. Lumlaw Washena Aka come to Milojo. Okay. Participants don't need Nishnere. Okay, Ara. Is it debate we kicking the participants we shong kam yolo? Example Jarino Gugum Nimde. Final round Ashama debate with Lee. Top 5. Final round come to Lire. Chipaliva Dioha serious sak my topic re. Jenna debate we Pingji shong kam yolo.
Hili gajshat aga sauge akama repay got talent li participate sagi ji participants bing na aming rami kamilo.
hello tipe duiji tima hampai rangai
Yamai lo ning shere sige khatu salala ntum na ning sang laga na rak me wang ning shie tipe thi hita ta khui kare participants ping na la ning sang laga ning na milo aju tipe thi li itum na main salaga ne yangi ki chi hi judging criteria hi mati le dale number 1 argumentation and matter now we mutui da khlai ji lin na point kya kha chang da lai kala point ji khyu wa na ka hang khlai ji ji kala na no fact or evidence chang ka shap kala topic ji phapta singen kham tui jina number 1 jili 30 points number 2 refutation kala method nana opponent bingli or nawi mover bingli kya kha ngaphat ngiye chashap tipe chashap refute chashap ji jili leire jili 30 points kala gog thumali nawi presentation nawi manner nana kya kha thukta kya kha babai ungbai da kala kya kha yarui li phaptang sakta nana nawi presentation ji middle ekle matui lekle ji jili 20 points kala question and answer gi tharan nana question sa khangai jili nana khamti jili question sa khangai kala nana opponent bing nala mover bing nala hang khai jili Jiji mushungla mom shumla the question sa ngai jibaji. Jili 20 points. He mthalagan na milo participants being. Any statement made is considered to be true unless it is effectively refuted. Miyakhana higzik da ka hangai laga ana singda kleji ka char sala la higzik da hangai akhawa ali shoka khet mi male la khawa ana ka char singda kleji gzik ne ji jim shungai go ji phaptalo. Number 2, debaters should make good use of time allocated. 4 minutes misar dalaye 3 minutes li issue with time giver na warning da hangra sare ji phapta milo 3 li warning 4 li up jana kai kha warning ja ka speed ani mutu khai ngai atam tra kha lagla tang khai ngai warning ja ka 60 seconds ji use sakhilo langdam de khala madar gam ne maka bishung la kham tijila madar gam ne atam ji chap da season khwai salo a good debater. Okay, na tumnan lai shigijinji mayare kamaya ji khaba nan reference myak na code sa khai ji or facts and figures ji percentage ka tha ji hangdang ai kha yang laga pa ka ji direct minus point. Bilingual English and lam tu pai tangkhula and lam tu pai mix sal ka lam tu pai je free ne nan hili shok tharan e mover number 1 ne or any serial opponent number 1 ne ji direct shok lo no we aming no we unit kikla reveal sa pai mra direct e serial number 1 ne or mover number 1 ne direct mtu phogo gi ne phap daw re mover 1 ai na opponent 1 li kutong da mutu khai uchi li minute akship milure ready sa misalo m1 ai na o1 ji. All right, phapta sare re achiwi argale we platinum jubilee hili debate ngaphat nyet sagi gi topic khalata khangarin kharing mirin we thought hili rupai now monghomer thura gaji hi open side ra itumara debate hapakosa arama nusumna tui khamatu hili ya really sensitive salakai topic or satzu gabai tui zangai ka ina continue the my kind of already jitai kana ji stress msalila kla ina control sane da poptalo topic ki shomera kala da khangring kring mirin with thotili rupai now monghomer thura. Mover number 1.
Hello. Mover number 1 day na. Ari isi tipe the topic na kalata kang rin kring we thought in Lirapai now Mohammed Turkjin. Yes, it is very right, and I absolutely support side topic issue topic kiliang kyubang kle jika Rapai now itumi background in health kyang adam tharani itumi financial stable sound nei itum financial stable sa ka da nei stable side by da itum mili compete sau ra ha chena itumi financial stable sa da it is very right hangai ka khanieli a lack of proper education facilities ya itum Rapai lung hili education facilities imam thamane the education facilities imam thadle ka da Rapai lung hili tum khani thot shokada clipping da promote sau ra da later clipping he got the stable side better so July education facilities la promote sabung ra kala improve sabung ra ka kutumali lack of proper transportation examples are the ari issue we Rapai highway number check sign la highway condition road condition hi mam sabut yang he accident promosa sa yang so like road condition improve sabung ra improve side cover itung we khalata we kring la staple sai staple sa kala life guarantee la jiri rana wa yang transportation atu da hila jili sabai ka transportation tham ya ka obviously nay you lay sakli la ki khali la gadam shi gadum jat waksali la ngjon so we must improve road or transportation means of transportation Kamateli, there's no proper healthcare facilities. Yeah, examples are itum repair contextually proper healthcare malay. Example pharmacy mthad lakai establish lakai malay. Kala hospital thalak malay. Kala if we are not like at the moment itum accident shock like hospital admit sadam ran emergency case li hospital malay ka itum stable sam da yang itum risky le itum risky le we are not stable. So how do we compete until unless we are stable? Yeah, jihangai. Juitili. Itu mirapay lungili kashai kshak kamang zahim kamushung. Yeah, he kashai kshak kamang zah. He mamushung le kava na stable sabay self itum plata independent sabay me kala stable sabay me. Itum independent saka kala stable saka mil compete sabay me. Yeah. Jena Allah itu malung li hang kaya kalau fe rapai we kring kring li contextually spiritual life imam thalak mun hang re yang itu mui version of sada itu Bible kang ba good God in first kini yang kai itu mui rapai context link ba very last hai laga spiritual life hada zalang au thui spiritual life mam tha ka ba version sada kala itu mui context link sai chika ba na i stable sat mok ti pem ne breshirin mang larin mang va brang in da kala mok mam tharang in sawem ne chena back to politics yang itu people's representative like CM chief minister whatever ADC atum itu samiran yang sang de la samiran healthcare or the education tong yang samiran sami de la masami le cover na iwi stability of individual had the life la jili la sa ze yang chena itu stable life kala kila sa se jeka bajila matter sai atum representative bin thani yangsang mi takar sai jutili rabi we lungli lack of career guidance yang lack of career guidance le dele lack of career guidance ka like mangling ka hangning ne ka itu lungli lack sa gurumli tamseran dak le khni thotli la ki la ka jimale lak mane chikhala male ne jutili nextly katom ka male la khamashat yik shi yang shat mang shi phei liang hi male khawa ka katom male khawa itum hi stable sa pai nei kala mili compete saram le katom moral bu sang rok logi itum hi stable life ka gi ne kala itum hi jili thank you
Kyashi ngai tukok aina tukok ina opponent serial number 1 ne athang mover number 1 na rupai wi khangazan ka hangji akhlak to wi khangazan ka hangni jire khiwang le ji ko khiwang aina rupai na khiwang aina mang hormum ne jire khla khamadaya bon 1 gadam ga shuli rupai mangawala kaina chatale ayar nga leili larik tam chatlaga officer kya ka shokai professor kya ka shokai doctor engineer even IMA la jangdale chithaga ithum rupai mang hormram nejela west south east league minister candidate rakhale tharula athum kadaleila kha ithum rupai wena oja khushim bashum ala ishi rupai maningla thaga itum rupai mang hormram ni jirala ka khnia boinli shanwai jonwai itum tangkhui shanwai jonwai mi jivana ka gahau recognize ka sahi kibashi wena kle rupai wena recognize sai tangkhui phanitli tangkhul na tangkhuli phanitli rupai na tangkhuli traditional ayurbai mai thuida shanwai jona ayurbai mai thuida sanglaga phanit mione chithaga itum rupai nga zane jirala kagathumali kashagaza jiko west south east na rupai li henmai da hayun khungla mathailak re kala awo ayina waza ka sa lui arila khanui thot bingna ari generation bingna lui ji waza shumla kha zatwa shum da leifi chithaga khiwangai ni thum rupai linga zane jirakla ga imphal nga nai western ga thana งจังทัดชิลก็ขลุ่มไปนั่นล้อแล้วก็ฮาร์วีใช้ชักมังเอเคยทำรูปให้ไว้ทำเนาะลิงคุยแล้วก็งจังไม่ชิลักเลยใช่จ้าเคยทำรูปให้งจะเนี่ยแต่มาหังไปลักมันเนี่ยก็เลยก็คำเดียวบอยน์ลีมีลิงหันก็ไทยจันหันละหันรูปให้ลิงหันก็ไทยรูปให้ลิงหันไทยขโมยขี้เลยโดมีกระเทอรัจังเขียวดังหลังดังหันคุยเฉยอีทุ่มกุยเรลีรักเขียวดังหลังดังมีนังหันคุยเฉยจิงกุมก็ทุ่มดิ่งสู้ใครถ้าดังหลังดังหันคุยเฉยเลยจิตาก็อีทุ่มตั้งคุงจะในจีละเวสเทิร์นลีกัมเบียร์ใช่ยังนะเวสเทิร์นงตักจินนายจะเดละมังหันลักมันนี่งตักจินนายจะเดละมังหันลักมันนี่เคยทุ่มรูปให้แก่ขังหันไทยเดเลยจิลมาจุกลูกมันมาดูพ่อพ่อใส่มูเวอร์อักนี่เดรูปให้ลีมาเจใส่จุยก็ชูกับบอยน์ลีงหงงหงจิก็อารีมณีบุรีเลยดักเลยฮี Virgin Forest ฮีเขามาส่งมังลีเลยก็เลยออกทุยหัววันก็จีวันก็หาดักเลยชิรุยลีฮีรูปให้ลีมาเลยมั้งรูปให้ลีเลยบริเนลรูปให้ลีเสียมดามีใครจีรูปให้ลีทำหังเดเลยจิตาก็ทุ่มรูปให้มันก็เมื่อไรเท่าในจีรลามันก็พันรุ่มในจีรลาลาซาดาmover ping na rupai li jay da klay ji kaji jaw I khang zan kaji jaw I khawat ne na maning ka rupai ka te malem la na rupai wi mai yor za da klay ne ji hang ka tangau ka nishner
yak shidon samina mover number 2
movers we showing a number 2 na ina ame thui da khya shi ka baya judges ping kala rajang khai masum psychorally iwi khya shi bam mi dalai mi hai da khlai topic khalata khangrin kharing mirin we thothili rphaina mang homrar thura gaji tui bam hi tui pong hi masung la kai hi ki pan kha misinterpret masa pa amra khalata khangrin gaji na ising yin khawai le dalai sa khawai le dalai थाकाई थुमिली खी खवात लेदा फनियाय ख चिली योनाय रे ख ओग थुइ रै गसंग थोथिली रफै नाव फै नाय संग द ओक्थु शब्द ले लागजी रेमे थुइ द क्वेश्चन सांगाय इना मताय लागने पॉइंट्स मदिली हांगाय खरेली इकोनॉमिक पर्सपेक्टिव ले फोकस सांगाय रफै लिरमली लेदा खलेया 44 villages हिवी ngachai hili less than 10% of their population hina financially stable salaga okathune the rest 90% here struggling salaga hand to mouth salaga okathuya mirinjili ring the legaji hangai aju rupai conference li ra changhai yeron nglabing kachungana financially stable salaga lan hiya ga tinglaga rarala iwi wanga effective sai kala hili sak zum lei mane ji mi ma jang ne kachunga na ngalang phai khui laga awa wa waina po khui laga akham wi wang saving masala kharami na chung mai jena financially isum hi jiwa pongli lang chan dale khagni le developmental perspective le hangai jiga hili electricity matai lagina aju rupai wi conference li light mung la mama china myon dak le hi rei sang thorli ok thui de le la yithum khagni le scarcity of water tru hi aju hosli khet mning mane kha hina yithum ko tong yang fine example sa de le tru hya khat tang dak le hi kachi weina ra yithum hi rei sang thotli ok thui dak le mi jili ngashan de le aga na satisfy sa de le la ka ka thum le road condition rupai conference li raghawai naram weina kwire hi ragajang shongfuji na satisfy sa de la jina development
perspective in hang se jaga ichum here backward class ne ji sala lang chan mai thui ge je apong li akhali chatale ka thum mali you point na educational perspective li hangai ke je chili focus sangai chili rupai lui ram li lei da le worship awa bing rajang haya rupai now being satisfied sa de la chili
Warning.
faculties kya halai de le kala school ji institution ji ka thada ran sa de le cha tha ga isum ji satisfy sa de le la lei da le ya kasung lak haya kasung lak na ok chi da le mi jili ngishan de le akha na jili phai nai sang la ka ok chi shap de le la ka ji question sangai khamatiale election political perspective ling heu yang sei tangkhung wing chai la rupai hina top most corrupted community akhane election li nawi mushunna na paisa na yor zaire financially stable sa khai mi ja paisa li lam khrom mane na I thang rin khawai phagajatli nawi mushun yor ta ser khai maning la jina rupai lam li leida khle worship shongfu infrastructure water supply ko tonga hi itum ngchan la kai nok chidak le gi ya hangai opponent win number 1 na kahang
Time's up.
Opponent 2.
Opponent 2 win. Opponent 2 ne. Ari Mr. Speaker na hangai re. Lairek tam khwere dam ti phaba chi la thom bi. Thang khamai ke che khni le de. Lairek tam khwel ka the mi kai na the wi aka kala vrena sokmi ya itumi thang met ak le de khni le ana trwi mram le ri aru chang ma twe re scarcity of water ari occultistically mi dek le ru phe wen khmi mani ru phe wen mi ari ashi tru ma tang ma dei le tru si chin shap mi de le de kala songfu we bongli le ma twe ra thumna Mr. Speaker na rupai hi mawasung makapai rangai mga pandram ni je chon ka daily vayang lo songfu mu la phei na ka chat le fu dai mi nang emergency na ka chai khawa mi nang vu phung ga khwa apon le fu dai ri la chililang mai da hospital chiler hospital li ariya ya khung mi dre dai thumle yeah tam khwere da thumna mati phapha laga development chigle jinda MLS pingwe mati greke rupai li education ni samphangai da thiam thangkhamai doctorate IAS MCS commission rengli trak changai re rupai hi kasungai re culturally la sangmai thui je li changai tourism wi songli li changai already the source of income hilila kasangali jangai hangla chikawa itum wena rupai wena supply truck mid le de apam guteli just source of income bi traung chang de financial apong le tum stable sai masam ne che mang pai lang ne che ka tong le stable sai south pacific da malung mat chang le a malung ma ka chang ning ka tiao suk chang ji la tum he
Continue.
Paisa hotel nào lấy vàng cha vàng mang lên số nào linh số cái vàng mang lên cái paisa mới sọc ngay chứ ý là bây giờ nhìn thật chứ in là miêu cái lớp khối số cái mì đó là số nào cũng đông vậy chứ ít thùng standard chứ high sát lấy đấy chọn cái đấy mà mất chỉ thả là cái it is a question in question sak hai baba ka sak cha le no ka tong ai thum stable sai it in a question sak hai baba are atum na maka sung mane manga phan mane ji dale ka tha manga phan ji da
Warning.
itum khi apong li nga cha nau le khik lel mang chan mane si he rupai he 啊这我真啥子在其他的一些75高什么 platinum jubilee 没碰上嘞，高什么的高什么那个可没有呢？你是那个？
Thank you, opponent number 2. Move on number 3.
Kashik Baya, Church Ping, Kala Hirazangai, Psychorally, Salam Jipundali, in a mover number 3 when Kare Sada issue a topic here. Kalata Kangarin Karing we Mirin we taught Hili Rapaina Mong Hamdru Tura. Definition him a talent say. Yes, Kalata Kangarin Jago. That is self-sufficient. Yang Kalata sustain Gasa, Jilik Hango. Development adu adai halaklo. Ka itum Kalata leader Mavat Mure, education Mavat Mure, or idum population Mavat Mure, Jilik Hango, self-sufficient Gazi. Jana idum Kataligle, self-sufficient Masaligle, Jana J idum, buoyancy in Tase. Korisada Kashakaza. Yes, Rupi now he out of 160 approximately he agriculturally depends on the lay. Yes, ka population overpopulation chung nai the itum gazahi mangrin to war government with subsidy lidum depend but talking side or river sabo lakai war jana itumui family member chung nai the overpopulation is direct jana itum gazahi matalain mangrin to financial itumui lack of job services yang itum example side in mige tada example ne to kumyolo jana hi aru han proxy war atam hili jana hi 10 to 20 years will only superpower casting over the ngzek ngro ga idla economy ga na chin khigle je government na atumli job khami mamning no idum robai now hili kada the government ng now rok lewo mi avuli job mi pai le ga idum khlata private sector la industry la factory la pokhil ga idum khlata service mi la ga idum kharing jili development idum jili ngarin self sufficient hi jili legi jidla kala hili ki khamal to the kaje ayerli outside manipur outside rapeli thousand zatale every city li yang hi rapeng leili ot sak vaimlem da ayerli ta nglang phek zaning la mla ping na kya ka policy chamera rapeli return sak vai mar madala to ung laga hili ki ung sa phungra itu mui hi khangrin la itum rapeng na ngom ru de lela kaje ino question sangan le Jaina education, yes, kutong anam tuiset leka tip sami day tum yingse. Education juga background yingse, background hi rupeng leli 12 hi class 12 hi 10 and 10 plus 2 hi ina kateli arui kani lay dale 1 chasami 2 neurosom. Ka neurosom hi construct masarange. Ka laga khangate teva yes 8 6 7 katha le sir dale. Ka hili ochamang rinram miramane itum khalata yang laga facilities me le itum function mas hababa mane itum we khangazan ji itum khlade ji sufficient mas har jidla sustain mas har jidla yang jaina itum we Indian Constitution 21 articles yang fundamental rights right to freedom 6 to 14 years mi aidale ka riyang lo here nganak sim sami lo yang even 14 years 15 years la career supplement driver gadhala tara ka tangai rijla education interest makle na avu avana matam interest mami khre facilities khawat wang wai na no idum mili tipen masaka maring refugee idum rapai now yang kala khamati sada development atang la issue mover speaker kan la hangai re water scarcity yes water scarcity le la ge ko rapai ge hi yinglo history and rapai ge hi terwe apai li ka ban ge go sources le lak de le idum rapai sources le lak le ka example sada Armstrong Pame the people roads the Manipur Assam and Nagaland pologo 100 km anamang construct samide
time's up.
Okay, thank you. Opponent number 3.
Kiashik mi aji hangshini da phanga ka shunga platinum jubilee we ngapat mi sada klewi mutime machine mu khoi yang me bing yaure bing ina opponent number 3 nai iwi right chong li bam da clay ping na klada khangarin kring mirin hiwi klada khangarin kring mirin hiwi thot li rapai na mong homro thura da phia da clay hing wi da hangae kala thumli tam ji thera ก็เลยอาจจะมีขงวิฮีอินเดอร์พรูฟมีเรื่องขังนิ่งนะมุทิมีนะนอทามิโลตัวปีคีอาทุนดามาทาดมาจุกมาจิวิบังกับพนิงมาว่าชงรูทุดเทชิงก็คุยมาเลยทุดรูปนามองหมรุทุระกจินมุทิมีนะกันเนี่ยซาดนอทามิโลขลัดขังรินวีก็ขลัดมาเททุกิดขลัดขังรินวีมีรินก็ขลัดนั้นเขาพกรขลัดขังรินจะให้กับ self sustenance or self control กจินอาทังลิงชินายอีลิงจอนคิมิซาด speaker number 3นังจอนมี definition มี elaborate มิซาทุระ number 2นัง misinterpret ซาลีขลัดขังรินจะให้กับ self control or self sustenance กจินอิชิระเพย์ self control เลยมั้งเลยใช่ self control เลยก็เฮียก็หักเด็กเลยนี่ dream ย้อนเด็กเลยฮิลีมันย้อนชอบเลย self control มาเลยก็ self control มาเลยก็มีย้อนชาละละรถขมรันเลยเป็นดิ้งให้เด็กเลยเหรอก็เลยขี้น่ะอีทุกมือ self control เลยกิจขี้น่ะจิตให้เลยจิก็เฮียก็อาจจะราชงน่ะ smooth สลากกันนะซาเด็กเลยหิน่ะจิตให้เด็กเลย self sustenance ก็ขี้เนี่ยเลย self sustenance ใช่ก็ว่าก็แต่ลิมิตจะทำละอีทุกคนได้คริ่งกิจเนี่ยจิตให้ก็อีทุกใส่จิงโชจิงดุนเลยจะทำแล้วก็ออกที่เลยละ financially อีทุกอาทุกนี่ depends เลยละจีทิ้งสักไงมุติมีนะที่มีโล sports ใช่ก็ world club based in real จัดเลย education มีเยอะยังไง education ใช่ก็ว่า example ซาดฉันงามชาลีว่า from Khamsom district forest officer ซาดเลยกามเอเชียนIndia Asian indigenous people spec ว่าซาดเลย entrepreneurship หลังเยอะยังไงอาซาจริงไหมท่าละกันซาดเลย celebrities ก็ต้องเทมีเดเลย even various London and the fashion Luxury Fashion Weekly 它的 showcase 啊，为大连啥晓得嘞？日本猛人噻，我在那的航班了。single 加一个日本的谈的嘞，tourism promote 啥天没得嘞噻，以前呐。他个阿当你呢坑位 proof 米了的，个行情 justify 啥的嘞的一个亏。Speaker number 3呢 education 就，阿克的12 we pronunciation 那能那么太里面嘞。แล้วก็อันนั้น education promote สร้างไงจีน12ไม่จริงเลย12จี
Continue
12 speaker number 1 probable education road condition probable health kill intoxicant things carol guidance leg side ได้ไง speaker number 2 นะ misinterpret ก็สร้างไงคลาดขังรินจีให้กับว่า meaning จีวัดสาลก็คิดละสร้างสังไงทุกไม่ได้วางสังไง probable education road condition นั่นน่ะจีลีcomplain ซะเด็กเลยจีโน้นเลยจีวัดมาซ้ำเลยเด็กคุยไงขณะว่าซะเด็กอาทุมนังพัดเด็กเลย English เลยหังใครตาเด็ก MD vessel make much noise กิจตาเด็กขี้ก็มันก็จังก็ทงทางเด็กคนจุงไม่เด็กช็อกเลยเด็กคุยไง
Mover number 4
ina mover number 4 we nane u topic hina khalacha khangarin kharing mirin wi tho thili ru phai naw mang homra thura hi 100% gum shung ji ne hiling yet dak le hi atum nang yet pha pha ga ji ne fact ma thai la khang yet ne hi ka ta da fact in a hang ji thai kai ru phai youth wi data collection ga sa dam saran ji le hardly 30% na employed sa dak le ne hi including private sector ne kala tai dak le hi alcoholic drug addicts unemployed ne jobless ne cái gì này, chứ ra là cái atum na hang được lấy, hang pha cái gì này mất thấy là, cái là opponent bác sĩ na hang này, cái ác hava sốc mi này, ác hava tầm cái quý vị na cái thế này ác hava sốc mi này ta hang này, à chỉ vào cái quý sốc mi sắm cái phẳng rồi, chỉ có 75 cái sung platinum jubilee này chỉ là cái hi cái sung đam yo này ta hang này, cái gì cái sung ta lấy ta nó thun năng sáng khang sáng chỉ lấy, electricity mất lấy hi cái sung ta lấy naอาจารย์ทางอาดัมจีป้าวชัดสัมพังไงกุยเรวิลเลจน่ะ Sunday มาพักคุยเลย electricity เชียบส่งแล้วก็สัมพังเขาไอ้ดอกฮอตขนาดจี sports ขนาดนั้นลักษณะตะกตัดนี่ไงมาราทูกจีจีด้านนั้นก็กระถางตะก้าชงวยกจีกระถางตะรูปให้น้องบิงนั้นก็ลิงกับพันเดอร์ดักเลย
nga phander si ka jiba ga tem thang khamai khara na ping na rupai sports mion da leye kyuwangai na like da mikhai da pichar sa da le ga like lo ung da lei rai kha like la mung da lei ne ki ba kan ma hang mi sha pro tu la ga ga chi ling phan da lei to kala rupai li officer la lei da lei yi ji officer aka khani khalai ji le officer lei da mu khui no census yang no population yang no la ga hang ra da la population lak le jile officer ku thum le jen officer le yi ji sak bai ot la hi le ka education 12 ma hang thei mane de hila khan hangai re ji ma hang ka thei chu wangai ne education promote sangai ye ji tala ji hang thei si je ki wangai ne education promote sangai ye ji ra rupai li ram ni le dak le harm sang mane ki bai na harm sang ki da ku re li pam dak le copy sai dak le to ngai hi ayar we na import sa ka khui mangai har mangai copy ma sai pha mane da ka dong na complain sa dale la ka har ma sang mani sai pha lagi kedam ka sim banga wala ke professor ka chung khalai na professor kya khalai da le jina ther la san mai jon vai li rupai ne advance sa mai na proof le la western na eastern na ngai tak le san mai jon vai ji nam thei lak rang mai tai Shinui here, tourism spot ne jayre. Thanga tourism spot ne jilaga, jili kya ka development right da. Mathana da sa mer lam sa middle lak laga ba. Come zom hi virgin forest ne je. Jiba we run a give kami de. We run a give kami ju wangai ne itum na lang so da kle. Ka give ji tum ma shi jin thei laga.
Warning.
Laga ji ka da itum na phunder re ji klai. Ka ka big othi masa pai phulum re. Kala rupai now he kala da mangarin ga thei wi bangai na shurung shurba shusang su da pa ga ju bangai na isi rupai now judges ping he isi rupai luram ni le da kle judges ping he ko ka mak sa da la area ga de ba ko ka sa sar dai isi rupai ku akali church khani le da kle hi isi rupai li majority sa da kle dai ji khi ju bangai na ko ka mak sa da ga tem thang ka me mak le bangai na da la thei ka ba du bangai na da la kala damang rin thei du ga da mina ka hang jili shu pa pa ju wangai na hik tha ka kai ga tekra ka shok ta la kala damang rin ka sha bu wangai na mi wi ot ning jang pa ka ji ka haw pa ka ji kyu wangai na jiga ru pai ko ong ja ka wi ko ong ja ka wi ngale dispute len sa la ga ma shi jin bai la pam da khlai hik ju wangai na do mang bai la cha shi wi ma tha la ga na thei si je shi jin la ga ru pai shang la ga nok tu da le re jang
Time's up.
thank you
Opponent number 4.
Lai Hyang Zin. Ina Kayashing Ila Gaya Ajawi Itumui speaker. To Koka Kala Ajawi Mashunu Hyang me the living. Kangaday well wishers Kala Iwi so now Tum psychorally. Remi to the ina opponent bench way aina nai ina ajul itumni mihai the kalai topic kalada kangrin kring mirin we thought healing repay now mong home retura ta hangli ko hiba here ina mamaya thamni mamu shungmani gichi nutumni thermic vai hiya ka sigli la kala ot ka sak ja gali sala no thai phung ka no thumni thermic vai hile shock nganing da khalai ka sani rimi thi da khala da khangrin ka ji wi mi rin hi ka chi ka thali khang khala ja kha mi akhana awi kring krakli mi ka tili ma ji han la de ben masala akhla da nganan da baina ngarin khui da kring chili ka hang nei cheina itum rapaina bing babda sei itum thai sei aja we topic hiba hiliva kido itum na khang hom ji hai lak lak rpai nau bing hi kla da khang rin hwe na khang hom ji hai lak ga ngapon thui lak ngapon khui lak ka ta vli thwe ri ji hi ina hangai ka tham mu shung kla yore kla da khang rin ji hi a jili mo khrom ram ne ji acha lak ishawa we ave yang generation mati phanga we thought na ok thuji adam ni khang nei ka ara vai thuma chili maning lui manei cái thằng cái chỉ khơi thùng nóยังxây rồi mình thấy cái thằng thấy được chưa rất hay nè cái thằng đó resources ya cái lấy yang cái thằng đó chỉ chính lấy ít thùng mui ít thùng mà khi cái lâm vặt mình này first hạt được ra lấy xử lý vậy nó ukhruk dong lấy thùng nó supply sát lấy ít thùng nó dominate sai mà vặt mình này ít thùng mà stable sai cái dong lấy cái này lấy long bi we hâm bài we resources lấy được lấy yang chỉ cái thằng đó lấy được lấy mà vặt mình này lang mi garda mà rem we mà chỉ ra lấy được lấy lang mi garda ít thùng resources cái mà tha xử lý cái song cái người tây repay we chính trị mà thứ cái tha cái người tây phẳng rồi cái hạt tây cầm tây lấy đó thì cái thằng này lấy thùng đi self reliance cái là cái người này hili ốc thủy khang sắc này cái là in nextly hàng ngày ba nữa à chú brom hi cái thằng hila ít thùng cái đó self sufficient là cái ít thùng na ít thùng mui lần này na hi đó si chính cái sa sa được cái này ít thùng hi cái tây ping na benefactors cái tây na sa mi được cái mình này mà yang mình la mà thằng li ít thùng hi self sufficient sao cái đó ít thùng cái đó tăng cố nào cái chung cái cha na rin khui là cái giáo mình rin xem khui là cái mi cái tây là tra cái người chọn giật lấy ít thùng hi self sufficient sao cái đó pastor thùng thằng nào sẽ bay rồi ít thùng hi next point ni tăng cố nào bình hi chả mau cái đó người gác thì hay cái thằng hi mới lấy lắc mà này hi này ít thùng nhát thì thế lấy ít thùng hi cái là đó khang rin chui này ít thùng hi người phân khui là cái advance how my god cái thế này cái là khang tây cái ban festivities social ít thùng hi social festivities ra cái là gì tăng khu cái tông cái nữa người chẳng lại cái này được lấy chúng mình lui rất phần cái tha khang tây cái how được lấy yang ít thùng mình học sa cái ta hi thùng hi self sufficient sao cái đó thùng hi cái đó sai shop được lấy sai shop được lấy này cái là speaker các cái nào ít thùng mình hi employment mình làm này hàng ngày thank you.
Mover number 5.
In the serial number, mover winner serial number 5. Winner represent Kasane. Achi, 2024 we arkel ngaphat ngiyet khalata khangarin kharing mirin we thought hili rapai naw mang khomra thura da sangkhai topic hi ning shila khai re hi thada sang khami chuwang mang khomra tha thamane ishi rapai ba shi mang khomra thur kho chi ichi chana ichi chaklata machuki gi chine achi ka shungla gaina speaker akhana speaker number 1 na hangai ka shungla gana platinum jubilee mayon dalai ta hangai ka shung dalai che kha yang ra mi chi yang ta yang ra hi ka shungla gana mayon dalai la mi ke tiao naw mangai na unit 33 ra dalai chi hi unit iram ka tham chi iram ka thamang dalai re ka chi ka tha unit live 100 la lang da ra dalai chi 100 200 ma ka shung la le dalai ngushun ni chung me da ra ari wa hi ka shung da mayon dalai la opponent ba shi machuk lo na shi mathalagina khamachuk dar ga sai la ishira phe now mathalagina khamachuk dar ga sa dalai kho mashun mukhui yang me ping na taimi lushit lok cha ina kala opponent ba shi le ina hang khangai termi khangai akhanaba kala ta khangarin kichi hi itum phap ta khui sei kala ta khangarin hi no wili le da kala ya thong thang no shan mai chon vai no ka shak za ka tong kha mi wili mo poza la mi wili mak ka haula no wili le da kala vre na lemet mi ka hai chi na na shichin la ka na li mi ka hai lemet chi shichin la ko otsa la ka cho chang da kring chi li ring ki da kala ring da kala chili khala tak khang ring ko honai ka ishir phai naw khala ta ring la ko ok tu da le la ka chi ka tha shim khur li ayang lo ayang le li ara ka ta li la virus chi ku chi li virus va da le ya kha iram ishir phai naw them na hai ra se shang na hai ra se khu ung chi vle black top thai la ka ki ka shei ku khut male lai thu mi transportation la va da le ra se ka ta ku chi li thu mi transportation ma thala ga na le da le li issue we main road highway he na tang da long ku chu la ka การีจีการีไตยร์ดังงลังกระจังอ่ะขลุ่มมากาปุยละก็จิลิวมาทัดเลยจิละเลยจีกระเทมทั้งขมเลยจีอิชูspeaker number 1นะคุชิมโอจาคุชิมโอก็คุชิมจีแล้วโอจาคุชิมนะคิดอะไรก็สังคุยเมียคุยรามีให้ระนั่นชิมาทัดมาจุกแล้ว opponent ป้าชิก็เลยอินนะหางขงายขนาดว่าอีทุ่มมือขนาวะอีทุ่มมือมาทุยเมียนะใช้มิลุชิดโลกจ้ามาช่วยมาคุยยังเมียพิงนะใช้มิลุชิดโลกจ้าอีทุ่มมือภาษารินมังลารินมาเถิดทุรคองก็เลยอีทุ่มภาษารินมังลารินก็เลยคาร์นาวสันมาเตยละอีทุ่มมือภาษารินนี่ละมาเข้าได้ออกทุยแต่เลยอันนู้นมีวีก็เขาละก็ขลัดมังรินละเลยแต่เลยมีวิ bravely ก็เขาละก็มีวิ courage ก็เขาละก็น่ะออกทีเนี่ยเลยได้ยังโน่จีขลัดขังรินวิวังไงน่ะล่ะชูวิวังไงน่ะอีทุ่มขลัดมังรินลักมะข้อมังความรัฐธาตุรข้ออิชิระเพนเอาอิชิวิสปอร์ตเฮียน่ะตั้งดายังโลอิชิวิสปอร์ตขังเรียวเฮียน่ะตั้งดาคิกละ scoreboard ไอ้น่ะตั้งได้ชิระเพย์บาชิมาให้มีรถละก็จีก็ชุงลักไอ้น่ะเลยล่ะนิ่งเชียร์เลย
Opponent number 5.
Klata kangarin kring jaka miya na miya halima jihan lila klata na ok twig shab kala ring zat kishab jili klata kangarin kring jina kya shik baya ajawi Mr. Speaker mushun kuyang mapping kala hilira jang hai nutum saikora ajawi debate topic klata kangarin kring mirin ui totally repai na mong homre tura kuji debate topic hi mushung lakai ina iwi points ping hi matarang laka ina movers ping na hang khai jili ina hangai ye gja atumna population ui matang le ka khatai speaker kai khana cha population ui matang le itum vershinawa ka sada population ui matang le khadak le hi itum vershinawa ka sada verina hangkai tuichili itum again sai re cha verina itum mikomoli jin naungra kongui suitiya ka kala gjingra muisira ya ka matai sanglo da hangai le ye kala leaders pingui matang le speaker kai khana ka hangai re kichiwa leader mi kapra ka tong hi leader sa khwai ma pramane kai khana leader sa phlungra ka kala kai khana kushura sa phlungra ji in hi hangai kala mover speaker kai khana hangai re electricity wi matang le hangai re electricity light current ji ma ji hom mi sala la ari hi bulb sha kai dak lai nu to ma thaim na nu to mi ka pyola ara in iwe klata khangrin khring mirin wi thought he later pain among homre to ragaji iwi points being lit tauka Mr. Speaker na thaimi logaja iu kre points hata repaying lately government service jobs hada claim ka like lechine ari la itum taxe pangkumene chakusha pre jega repay now service government service masala job masala laida claiming je atum klata na lui othala ka ngalan phai kulaka klata ngri la kain okti chata claiming la Mr. Speaker na thaimi lushit logaja iu ka khane point itum repay khu itum na thai paila khaya khu power pungjam kala lunghar ka ta hi itum shan ka yang wase atum leida clay resources chi mathala ga ni shi jin la ka atum na klata we yam kui now farm now sa kui la ka atum ichta we income generate la ga ngri la ga na okti shap tak le ji ba khiklai iu gok tum point ha the Mr. Speaker na thai mi li shit lo ki cha itum repai avava na ya ka chot la ka cha chot la ka okti cha dai sai chal la itum repai use aja ya ga thada 75 years platinum jubilee li thada rag zip shop tak le hi ichija klata na wortam rin ma thada thai sing kui khai wi wang ichija klata ngri la ga na chat kui thai khai wang ne thada rag zip ta khlai ne kala iwi committee point le Mr. Speaker na thai mi lu shit lo ki cha ari hon modern technologies atam nga sa how ki da modern technologies wi wang na network marketing introduce halaga itum repai nga le hi la ra shumai ko kala modern technologies wi wangai na network marketing introduce sami laga repai shimkhur katong kala mi katong na network marketing jili register sai laga jiwi income earn sadak lejina kicha kala to wi installment admission kala shimkhur wi shok zang yang sang laga ngrin laga okti shap tale laga wa iwi khanau point Mr. Speaker na thaimi li shit lo kicha matai lagai na ach mover sili rang ningai da ra jangai da kleni thum sai kor repai na octida kle mirin thought takli octi lik like ji matha da thei sing khoi ma leila heta hi tha platform hili mara phaya chang milu ni ji jawa ning sinar ko gja ari on atam ki atam kle ji na I zang da thei ser le media atam nga sa gi da na kham tu ina kham tu mi ga na sha khui laga thei khui laga mina chipat khwai mina phainai thai khwai mina manai shi khwai mang sa se ning snai re.
Mover number 6.
Kya Shipaya, Mishun Kuyamping, Ram Yui Aunga, Buster Kerikis, Ramwi Kernobing, Sunobing. Ina, Mover Wianne, serial number 6. Iwi topic na, Kalata Kangrin Kring Mirinu Tot Hili, Rupi now, Monghom Rotura. Topic Ashipam Darangine. I in my sign hangs away. Mushungla Kai topic, challenging topic Agne, Ishirupin of Manga. Serial number 1. Point 1, not Samilo, speaker speaking. Term Rinchong Jikava. Rupai now na term Rinchoni young Sir Jakova. Knowledge. Knowledge he. Like Kataman home the Lite. Not wisdom. Kohanga Lite. Knowledge without wisdom is worthless today. Maramba, none of Kakatam Killa, Brau with Tomatum useless. You won't go farther, right? Further. None of Tamukaji, Brau with Tomatum Mavashum today. Rupai now not you cut them a clean Kivanga. Eat him married. Bapayari. Akibari Jim Telga, Kasema under. Chivine Katama Kanilla. Point number 2. Politics we show in Hanjiga. Our Rupai politics is corrupted age, not scientific computer age. Undagaitari here. Politics shows Rupai here. Macau Jigat Kaide. Tagava Katada, New York dilitum Rajai Tangbarda. Katada itum la Muling Rajai Tangbagida, not Samilo. Point number 3. Okutiwi Rake Sangva Kanguji cover. Atu Rupina, Collectama Kangrin he could you and a Rauglage cover. Main point bar. Economic impact. Itum he economic staple. Economic sound, vibrant Maksavina, New York delitum Mungsung Krede. Point number 5. Kuvangine economic stable later, itum no reverse cycle education system yum taturday. Nishan low 75 years platinum jubilant as you to Myondale. Reverse as a Rupai Chikuli well versed. Well advanced school colleges little igle kala economic hi simkau se jikaba rupai raisang se jikaba education dai katam kishumle la kathada rupai raisang gi da hi main dai not samilo like kikile jiba turu jiba halakalo education le kai tharan turu la atinga nung kun chokro light la ara jiba nung kunung ro education le go. Where will you bring all that important resources? Speakers, not Tamilo.
Warning.
Like atumna hange self-sufficient janin hange. Na tumhi topic im thalakai no muchuk kutuk ga ragam rag im theatre speakers ping. Thalakai no muchuk zagai ga ba. Atin shi speakers ping hange. He 75 platinum jubilants we members like here. Units were 33. Come on, he iram now. Itang now no jumilgava. Where are the rest? Come on. Rupai Sangoska, he quality education ga, quantity education da. Let's maintain. Our raising is quality ga quantity da. He ungi day. Now me twitter. Ngla kya kam thalaga. Shinao baji pasi jiva. Shinao baji li miwi. Ngishan shin bayla ngla kya kam thalaga shina baji shishi je ngishan shin bayla ngai chai any bodies
time's up
half minute kula hoye any bodies kanala ge ka simgao si jikaba rupai na bing economic staple masa ga useless nishla.
Opponent number 6.
In opponent number 6, Ning Shinare judges being Adam Kumivang. in the hangai nava arhon he I'd like to go with English because I'm not very fluent when it comes to Tangko, but then I do understand. But then the fact that when it comes to this topic, there's a lot to debate about and there's a lot to say about. When it comes to tourism, I would like to say that a lot of livelihood starts with tourism. There are a lot of people who are upcoming when it comes to tourism. There are people who are living near the roadsides and they're developing slowly, but then they are still developing because of the tourism that is being brought. Yes, the road might take time, but then that's not a problem because we have time and people are developing slowly. Development comes through time. Also, when it comes to hospitality, Rupe is one of the best. I would say, because I've traveled through states and I know that through east, north, west, south, north is one of the best when it comes to hospitalities. And also, Rupe people who are among one of the people who is the last one when it comes to IAL or any competitive exam, the last people who are upcoming is one from the Rupe people. When it comes to fashion and industry, it's also Rupe. You can see Asaka Zingme, one of the upcoming and also the most developing person who is also representing Rupe when it comes to fashion industry. When it comes to beauty and pageant, we have Miss Manipur also representing from the Rupe side. So when it comes to Rupe people, if you say that we are not developing and we cannot do when it comes to competition, I think that is wrong. Though we may not be upcoming in terms of worldwide, we are still upcoming in terms of district level, in terms of state, because we have the resources, we have the population, we have the people who are outsmarting others in terms of education and finance in other states as well. You may not know that, but in Delhi as well, in Bangalore as well, there are people coming from Rupe who are developing, owning small shops and trying to bring out finances, trying to bring out development in their own level so that they can bring the people. And also, not only that, when it comes to education as well, we are not always the ones who are at the top, but then everyone who is educated is not the one at the top. Sometimes we may fail to be at the top in education, but whatever we have learned, we people are one of the most honest and also the most humble people that are trying to do our best when it comes to uplifting our community. That's why I would say that Rupe is not behind. We are one of among the top ones who are trying to uplift our community. And also, I've heard a lot of the movers saying that when it comes to tourism, we cannot.
Warning.
I'd like to say that we are trying our best, and also when it comes to road and development, it takes time. It's not that everything does not be built in one overnight. So it takes time. And when it comes to hospitals and everything, it's not the other states or other east side or the west side or the south side have the best. It's the Rupe side that's upcoming. And also when it comes to tourism, we are doing the best. And when it comes to fishery, we are also doing very good. And other lands, as per other lands, Rupe is one of the lands with most of the rivers. So we have a lot of scopes in resources. We can do a lot more. There are people who are educating themselves and they are doing it slowly over time. Everything takes time. I'd like to say that we are upcoming. We are doing our best. Please don't say that we cannot. We can. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Mover number 7.
Respected Mr. Speaker, topic ki im yang ai lage. Point number 1, Mr. Speaker. Wadam rin ishi rupe yang lo. Wadam rin kya kang ngazan dalay. School kya kang maintain sa dalay da. Kala tamkui khai bing na. Kyuvang knowledge mi kya ka pass down sa mi dalay. Kala kyuvang ina wadam rin ngazanaw. Rupe na bing na. Lum shilaw bali yang tuyay da itumi. Wadam rin li itum ngazan khai mining na. Mr. Speaker, point number 2, economic. Lansin li itum ngazan lagi na cholaki na lay dalay day. Itum economic, itum lansin itum stable masarangay. Itum resource teo lagay, itum na tay. Ka itum teo resource itum ariwi majukda, ariwi shising kafay mang paning da itum future kilay dalay da. Matay mla. Itum resang lagay la. Number 3, Mr. Speaker, itum transportation. คือแกกันใน transportation นี่องค์ชุงว่าไปดูอุดเลยอีทุ่งมี highway national highway แกกัน maintain มันท่าจะ maintain ซาดเลยด้า government มั่งลิงไรสิล่ะฮีสักมีอีทุ่งมี civil society organization นะมันท่าจะ move ซามีแล้วก็ฮีมีอย่างสังไปมั้ยล่ะคิดว่าอุตาขนาดนั้นซะหรอฮีท่าจะเลยจริงคืออีทุ่งมีเร็กสังฮีมุขราไปมั้ยเนี่ยเคยแล้วก็อีทุ่งมีเร็กสังฮีคุยชนเลยก็แล้ว Mr. Speaker it will next point na poor infrastructure development village kya gali rupai village kya gali 24/7 light gala water supply hi samphang da leida light ma samphang example la kha khui sai light maram li rupai we school kya kha smart classroom hi introduce sa da leida aru han gala yang lo hik thau hi wangai na ít thùng business là mà sao vào bài mà này like we thấy được hiểu we problem we vắng nào thấy cái ít thùng hi rồi sáng ngày này chỉ thùng sang khui bay la hiểu vắng này ít thùng yang lâu ít thùng we repay we school being zero computer knowledge này tầm được làm nhưng na mà thấy rằng là gì Mr. Speaker, you next point na dependency mindset of development. Cứ reason usai government ADC MLS bingbang ni chian usila. Itu miaru ini kisaran, nana kisaran tem la. Sao usai yo. Laga government we itu na sampang ranji. Tam jalagi na itu na pressure mirror la. Laga Mr. Speaker, you next point. RGL 75 years platinum miyondalay. RGL hirang kamiyonay ray. Itu RGL ki promote side da. Ki promote sadalay side la for example players football players yeah ji say volleyball players kya ga promote sa mera organize kya ga mathada sadalay laga opponent win speaker bingli na terming ai le ngashan gi hi ba I thumi dress li khang maning na wa naiva ajal ga wi hawla phaijak ma sa thail ga laga I thum ru phai ngashan shang lak dalai da I thum hang bai la ru phai naw shamai ji mai rupai nào sớm mai khờ yang lo rupai nào mà ta thấy sinh quy là sớm kia cái dân đấy rupai nào sớm phun ngay đó khi cái mà thấy sinh quy là rất đấy đấy thấy cái yang lo next point mà opponent bắt bắt li term không ai cái nào rupai khi ít thùng resang ai competitive exam kia cái pass sa đấy cái đấy li compare sa tharan ít thùng word đam rin ít thùng resang ai la ít thùng hi không chụp tờ sai ấy, nhưng sai rồi.
Opponent number 7.
Hello everybody. In opponent number 7 này khẳng định này, à chú topic, mấy cái topic kia, yêu ang à, hili ang topic mất cái này. Cái đó tôi nói cái lời gì nè, point nào thuộc xin này nè, xin một cái gì mấy bên này thay mình ngay. 그저 그래서 music industry 방향에서 지금 아주 알아 거의 나 아루라슌다 당후 이시 당후라 농리 리페이 감호이 아루라슌다 모징들래 그라 아루야리 다 몬사도 가이 오자 셈비올롱 그라 아루야리 보라게 리더클레 심링엄롱 다이나롱 더밀라롱 조난바라롱 열심롱 아루 드라글레 강내리 패션 인더스트리 방향에서 지금 이놈이 야쇼와 사그 징메 아히 그 집에 있는다 그 도로 있는라 왜 강원 있는라 no 이시를 회락들라 거기서 말리 뷰티 비전 막 봤어요 지금 머니불리 미스크 방나가 있는 자리 그래서 르페 왜 있는 머니불 미스크 샵이 그 집에 있는다 이시를 왜 있는 락라 미스 파파 그 집에 머니불리 MLA 드라가 걸린 자리 캐비넷 미니스터 사그 샵이 이시 오자 그심 이시를 보이고 있는 락글라 유쿨 지시구에 administration 위 리영세 지가 유쿨 위 알레리 유쿨 forest division 위 DFO 일 서샹감 글라 DYSO 일 이시 루파이 서병명상 이시를 보이는 락 이시 무슨 뭐 그냥 매빙 이시를 보이 망알리 락들레 이시 생각이 아리 하다 이시를 보이는 그 단리영서 지가 나가 시엔유엔 분열 이시를 보이나 서 singam horam na than lei tigel dil riju bam sing hai argel ungrumi da lei isi rupai lak da la naga student union delili la saryaw re horam president an than lak da lei isi dang ko mangali zat lak da lei kala jimang mning la shiru dang ko shinang long wi president lei si miss madam thingrai pi lunghar wo si lunghar naw si rupai lak da la rupai sa lak da lei arui opponent wina khumdi nai kha mover hangai thada shaktiman education milim de shaktiman driver sa le bamai re te shaktiman driver ga sai na ali ka ja ga sa zaw lai ji no shaktiman driver mai kha an ma sha na ting a phung la shaktiman thau la ga ama sa thai ma nei ka rana me da lai li diaw la bai hak la bai an sa da ga ji respect lai ji no aji wi mover bing li rimpai in sumwang na dam hui ba akhla ma khlai bing aje ina ra khang ning wang na yu wang na ara ma ko khai ji ning shai ra ga ji la hang me naw lo itam na ma thai ma da sa ga sa nei every year region along conference mi on da la long le mo ma gap da mi on da la ka shum gap da mi on da la hi isha agar ma ding do tang ko hob da na kala mi shi ding na dam ga ji da conference da rangai da ra da la hi tang ko khunu le ga wang ma ding na kala shi ri phai mangali ga wang na ga ji thar mi ngai mishun mo yang me bing hi ga ngai na hi na da ngau gai ri phai tha da ma ling jing sa kala tha da ma ling jing no thank you
Mover number 8.
Kya shikpai mshun ma yang mi ping yu topic na ba khala da khangrin khring mirin we thought li ra phai na mong homra turag ji mshung na ya opponent number 5 na full support mi dak lai ne media we ajam ne mshung ai na proof ne ya topic ki mshung na ya khala da ngrin shi ba khala da li la khala yaru rin la rei sang hak sang khra re kha mu khui khra we bang khala da ma khangrin wa ach ra phai na khala ka daily mong hom khra ne khre sa da point number 1 ni education what ni education rapai na hinga jan lagai lei da lei ichung we alongli masala khai kala ka shungla khai educational institution himalai mane awa galang so na we moral support bat khai rapai na what mainly educational ka tali ma khra hina maram sa da lei lei ka khane points li undeveloped lack of infrastructures rapai abam ni yang lo kali ka shungli khlai upur na jiga inji khani ya adang mawud nei ji no ji ram ting li le re ram ting li mawud phung mane na shong fu abang ko tei li wa lo 2 lanes in za da le itum ra phai area only 1 lanes ji la black top ma le la a ha ga tek da le hi ga li ma thak le kha dang rin chi hi ma tham re ka ga thuma points le environmental issue itum mi ra phai li khang ja ina khlai lan ching sa yu ba yu hi ma thala ga ni mi kha khala jam ma khang rin mi bang misuse sak hai kala shman ga sak hai mai a thang opponent number 1 hang ai shroi mai lang song yi la kai kha ga thao ra phai na mai thot nim la a ja shman dak lai ji ra phai na ba ba mai khala dang rin shi wa hi da damara shok mare khama ji points le youths ra phai wi dam khu shu khu ga hai ga chung ga lai de lai kha gi sa wa yaw ma shi jin mai la ga ba hili khala dang rin che hili sem ka ga le jang ra da la kha khala dam ma khang rin ni wang a ja ayang ga lai li ayang rai mi wi rai sang hak sang bang li shi jin bai de lai kala hili talented sala ka hai kya halib platform ma mila kala export ma sa wi wang ra phai na talented sala ka hai kya ha shman ma manai re ka phanga points le identity ra phai na a ha sa da ra phai wi nga shan ka thai kala phakri dar ka sai khai hi ma phari la ka dai wi nga shan kala westernized country ping shu thui ka hai wang a ja ra phai na nga jan ma manai re a thang opponent na hang khai thada shuri di ma khlai ne pura full itum athum hi ma kan khana ne chan han ji ga ra phai na kli ma thak lai na thum pheding yang la chan han flop la ga wa ra phai na ma thai da phning dak lai ngak na phlung ai pastor na shop pe ji yo pastor wang na shop sir yo re shi ma khaning na lang na shop la ga ra phai na ga mong na shop gi da ji ma chung sa ngai ye mo ga dom ga thai yang lo ar a ji wa mo ga dom thai thre concert li wa hi mu wut gi ne pura full lot ya rabai na khala dang rin chi wa ajila ga dom mi re ga dai hi platform play bing li la ga dom mi re kha rabai na ma khang rin wang ajing zan khai ne
warning
จิซาซาดาอาจจะขลัดเจอขังรินมิรินวิทอทลีเราไปน่ามังฮอมรัตุเรกิชิมชุนายนิชลาไกระ
Last opponent, opponent number 8.
Kya shi khangi judges ping Mr. Speaker galara zang khaya yari thum sai gor ling ya hi wi ringpha shala milishi dalaye ina opponent number 8 ne azami khai bibong hina kala duigui hina wa klada khangarin kharing mirin wi thot hili thum rubai no bing mong homer thure gijine Mr. Speaker rimai thuida ok thui hili mirano urano ngalerano khalada ngarin laga ok thui shapai re giji hiwa malai paim ne kala hiwa masa paim ne Bang shop le mai thui gaji tem mai thui gaji ngale bing aina dang da ngazan khamai bing ngale bing li jihan na gok thui da le de thai kha azami khai thui bong ki khala da khangrin mirin li ok thui hi le ok thui da khlai tho thi li thum ru phai no bing mong homer da le ne gaji hi wa khangui ya thui bong ne khala khangui ya ningjuk ne gaji hi ri mai thui de i thum sai go le phaning sangai itum aka aina aka jihan lago ok thui khangrok chi bo ok thui li muno thak ba ya sat khana ne thumli jiwangai ne hiling hom khara mong hom khara gi tu himra da bai ne azo itu bong hi mom shung ne kala mom yangai ne gi hi ina iwi khare point side da lansin rin li focus sangai e itum rupai no bing ot bangla gai na kala hot khana bangla gai na khale wi wangai na crore badi lak badi hi le de kala khnui thot bing chung me khar de lo shogra de le atum na atum khala dawi mirin khangrin mang majila ram naw bing kala long naw bing ling naw mi da khle dra khle de le hi itum phaningong se thai ga itum hi mang homram nei da hangbai la ga hi ishi mover bing li ngan ngai question hi kala chimang majila wardam rin gi adam ji thran itum rupai naw bing lyric sakla ga indam hui laga sarkar rin li je khawa officers bing dra jang le foreign ngale li gazat adam chhan tangkhung naw bing kheng adam chhan rupai naw bing dra jang le thai ga itum himang homra rang da hangshila ga ji hi question la sangai de le kala doctors engineers bing dra kha shograt le lawyers bing dra kha le atum ne itum rupai wa identity hi machi thai mim la itum mai m khang ka mim la ga ji question hi le shi opponent bing ni question hi re sangai e kala ishi Mr. Speaker li la phap tang sangai e pangthem gi adam ji fan ishi rupai naw bing na ki look sob guy kashai hi tum na kim sem them ra khoi gi thai le da itum na sem shok khai rak shok da khlai bing hi ishi tanghu naw mang na ma ji la yur ga de bing la shi jin da le de thai ga ba yur ga de le ishi lim ji han la ga mok thui da le mla ga ji hi hangai e kala ji mang ma ji la long bi we hambai hina je ka wei shi India mang li ka thai maning ne ka wo o ga twin la thai le thai ka wo long bi we hambai sem da le hi thum ru phai naw maning la ga ji opponents ping ni la han nga ya thai ka i thum hi yur ga de we chat ga de da ok thui da khale han da le hi le thum tang ru phai naw bing la zang shop da le ko ga ji hi i thum sai ko le hanga ye ka la phap tang sa khangai ne jimang je maning la ishi ru phai we how ma ji hi la tang ko ko tong hana shai da khale de shi jin da khalai ne thai ka ba Europe chat ka te bing ne i thum mi ma ji la sem the da le la ga ji hang ai ka la iwi ku sang li ni tha hang ai ji i thum hi ya kha re ga sang nga han da khalai yo ok thui hi li ishi tang ko repai naw bing la changlak da le ko nga han chap lak da le ko ga ji hi thum dong le remind sang ai ka la digital age li internet age li thum repai wi khnu thot bing tra kha no hot na la ga entrepreneurship lira no NGOs lira no kala business lira no kijan na set up sak sala ga khangade wi yurja khangade bing no ok thui thade thum no ok thui shop da le ngan shop da le ji hang la ga tangau ga ning shila ga re
Mover number 9, last mover. O1, M1, Minida Krip, Wang Ridi Samisalo.
Kiashi Kangia speaker, Kalaya Rewa, Ajuwe topic na, Kalata Kangrin, Rin Totili Rupina, Mong Turagachi, Yon Lak High topic na, Akala in he proof me kwai, mover patch in the Kangning na. Rupai now he liver, custom now, Rao Gita, Itumwe. Lansin li sak su ka khalayawa rupai wa ning ha ge jaw gi da masamai pa da thang ka mon chak sa vai da ta chum bu kui kong da ka ma naw raw wang ki ka mang mu chuk sang tu mang ran sang tu ye ung naw khang azan ka la ka than na pi wi tung le mu shun yang bang shap ki shiman lan ki mu shun yang bang shap ki shiman mu lung ma ga sang ka pi ka khyang lan li ga za hina I tu mi sa sang sa ge makeup ta kita sa sau kla jikaba kala tawi ari tum na thei je itum ni show government na scheme ya kamita lai na tum na thengai ta lai ka TIC office li walo scheme shak lang lai ta lai agriculture scheme la ung ta lai fishery la khai la hogil tra ku ngai ki ba sa khui ta lai ta kachi ka ta tem na akan ra la ga scheme ji khui la ka ram ga tong wi development ji song fu khamong song mei re chi ta ta lai ka wa hi re sang pai lai la mi khala ga chi na chi mang ma ching la maning la shei shu da khlai ka la ro ga ya 65 ka hai da khlai khlai mai na government na scheme phaisa mi da khlai ji li sa bam ta lai tam khui da lai ma ru phai ng lai li tam khui khai talk trade reverend lawyer engineer doctor tra khlai ye khap quality ma lai lak ma nei quality ma nga wai ki wang la ji ka wa itum na thei bai ji wa doctor ya ka khlai hi le itum mui mangla kya ka shiman me re da phaisa ka phai na itum mangla shiman me re I cham khai nào prangai prara rai paisa ma le thu tam phau ki tu re ken sam kan ki tu re paisa ka phai nam ding mala engineer le de le kali wa ho engineer ma kham quality ma khlai wi wang song fu ji ma kham tha de le construction sam ka de ma kham tha de la government wi sim sam ka ra cement ta ki shi sing ra sidwi ta ki shi sing ra building ma tha la ga lak chimang man ding la lawyer la le de le mishun ma khuim le la lan li ning chang la ka gapik chang la ka satat mi de le ma khlai ya chi wa ka lan ma le da au machine kali ku tu ra reverend ra khlai de le reverend bing jin kisa kam shung ma dam ji thei la ka pik yang la ka ram nga kai mi de le vre shirin li ka tar tra vre shi ji he bam kam shung song sa li za ma chi la nga kai mi de le ram nga kai de le chi naw ra nga kai mi de le yu sha jang sha rum sang mi de le think watermelon hilila watermelon kongloi la kai de kita da kongloi watermelon kongloi ki chi hi wa yu kongloi ne jina itum na thei government na rupai ngai government school truck mi babam ta lai ye pai da ma mi na ocha bing pai da ma lai na school wa mi er ko ka ram china wa ma ka tom thei thu ki ta school wi khawata khalam yang iwi chuluk ra zang ta ma ka tom thei thu ki ta naw ka tong ka la jili mi da kai tong area ma nga sa ta future ma lei thu rai tang mang hai tang thei bai ge cheva ka tam na wai na ma ka tam na ho ye tang kham ngai na ko ho ka tha nei chi tang kham mi khang a pe oli pung han da ana pung hang mi shebra la tam hang mi shebra la chat chai ru phai hi wa tam page til tok straight la truck lei da lei khak tam goi khai bing ke li wa scholar bing chi ke li ru phai li khing ge chon da lei da na mai kap ta hang kui ngai he ru phai na bing na tum hi tha bing li kran khang reng wa furak lai ni shila kai re
Mover number 1. 1 minute timekeeper.
Athang apon na basin kahang yang phungjam baure lunghor okti thi nai thang stable sala ke thang yang ka sadle la thang lang si jiga thun area rai pesticides chemical season misera ka now da thum future generations shoka da khuni da pungji stable sa okti shapla kambisa shapla ji hanga yang kala athum mi grebin li kambisa shapla ji hanga clearly there is no proper electricity yang when there is no proper electricity in these days there are many people like doing their online business trade etc like je athumi klatang ring phai sa da klite yang jim sa ji yang so athum da miling hom re ga clearly rapaino bi hi discipline kala patience dedication malay yang malay ka ta tum klatang ring dok tu ra or ka psychology discipline kala patience dedication malay la klatang ring khang ring wi mi dok tu ji it is impossible kala milia da kambisari ji msara lak mre kala khamateli rapaino hi ningma ga ni hak pa de law pha shok pha de yang kai krigat lim sa ji
Opponent number 1. 1 minute.
Athang mover number 4 na Virgin Forest mashi tin thaim nei gji Virgin Forest mashi jin thaim nei ji sarala class 10 with social science with history li the only Virgin Forest in Manipur da jili kamasom da zangya ji nana mashi jin thaim nei ji sarala lai ga tam ga shi ga dong khana recognize ka chane ya ga athang mover khana phaijak sa thai da lai la ji na li phaijak na phaijak sa thai ngai o ga vaurad la na li phaijak tam yu ga da ra la na ga na li na phaijak jin na khlak tam tam khuilan na ดมิโลไม่จีละนั่นลีคิดว่าหันมารามเลยจีหางไงแล้วก็ professor แก้วเขาเลยเล็กเลยจีชิลองลีพอไม่ทุกจี college วี professor บิงจีก็จูเวนรูปให้เวนนี่นี่เดลฮีวี professor ก็จังบิงจีคิดก็จูวีรูปให้นี่
Up.
Yari mang na ngai fukle. Oh, Yari ung sar le lo mo kipa kumle mal mo. Ning sila kai re ache wi debate thili participate sa mi khai movers psycho opponent psycho na thumna mathala kai na thum best kishok laga participate sa khame yo wang ache wi debate isumna ngaphat nyet sa khai kalata khangarin kharing mirin wi thot thili rupai na mong homer tura gaji hi ntumna mabung phangsa kai re ntum psycho really ning share gaji hi hangai ya re psycho na participant psycho wi bang apang si dag phemi se ntum psycho really ning sila kai re itomara stage when at up se
ya really ma jit gabai information aha khani mili shit ke re makeup da thing wi maram le mi de le sigjang sao da ithum hi sik sala bai kha ithum na LOC bashina unit ya chu da ran gzak zak laga 10 days wi wang ran sang khai thing nei kachigitha unit ping na ngya pambai hai kha ithum chimik sho thra ma sung pai shine kala emergency salak ena thing khring ba pha khui laga Simi Shaw Kani Tang Itung Zatam Hang Zahai Kai Tung Wang Kajot and Saura. Jawi the LOC in a Dam Jalagana. Natumli Ting Yermi Dakli honors Halaga Hangza Shap Shap Jita the Quilagaitum. Jimmy Din Salaga the Simi Shaw Tratan with Wang Palagans at Lak Vaisa Sage. Hangai the Lake Kakanili Event 90 Kukaya Dam Jitaran Itum Bung Minute 45 and the Shim Unkawai Natumli Adam Midley. Kaligata Jilimu Ungaka. Volunteers kala authorities ang laga na thumli chongpu lam hangle na thumli inquiry katha khwei bai shine chena legisia repaino being itum ya release ang ran hai re da itum machuk laga kichana commit le laga ya release rag jang ne nali hi chaira ne hi manglo hi zalo da volunteers na mi da nali chi sa da chazmi laga kasa jim sang sangai mane kala na hi piran hai re hi thai da nali chazmi laga rules we azingli da ma sang sangai mane chena kichana Paptang rock laga piranjili ping rock say kashai kashakla third laga chadranjili zang rock say kachi he the thumni chila jithemi khangai ne khaga thumali itumwe khawat adam jitharan tarurano maitingrano or apong teng de the wat khaya adam jitharan itum LOC rano organizing committee lirano RKLW executive bing lirano chiling san milaga itum na thum wat dak leba problem ba je itum solve sa khwai sa se itum na media ling yaw ba phala ka itum wi wang sa zu khwai ng sa hora itum wi mai se re chena media li khang yaw china itum wi problem solve hum sa mi mra na ram da tru wat kha dam saran authority bing li hang laga na wi tru khwat ba je rin hai laga na thum tru ma wat le ring phalai si jin ga ta ta khwai sa se itum wi platform ngaze khwai platform quick radam saran jiling je khui lagai thum shung khui laga next wi wang ka da sa kha phara ge ji jilim je khui nau se chena khamati li akhama sagi ge ji ngreu gi ge wi picture ji tyome kha ji themi ge football we picture he khareli namre versus khamsom phungre ngreura khakhni new the song versus kharasom ngreura khagathumali Khamsom Walele versus Lunghar Hing Reora Adamna 6:30 Horzakli Hopogra Kala Team Bingli 10 minutes Ngarai Laga Mara Aka work over Sahora Men's volleyball na Hushu versus K Walele Luri Shimpung versus Lori Gachu Chingai versus New Tsom Adam Horzak Ngariopapamra 6:30 Women's volleyball Jingjiroi CV versus Hushu New Tsom versus Numbikulen Halang versus Mrem Hila Adam Horzakli Natum Nang Ran Mikwai Ramnao Kala unit psychorale Chihangai Dele Ari Chishat Kahaije Chonghu Kori Lizat the living Lakang Namilo Kala Marala later clipping psychorally Hilly Razang Haya unit members Natum the information Jim Mimron the imitating Jim Sang information Mika you are usually imitating excuse them Muking Submara Jen and Natum Hang Maron the Garam no being Elation Hang Maron the Gar Psychoran Shakwi Legata that you are teach that Tahwais has a niche lager.
Kupsang lagaw say example with top 5 last round minute ramang re pasong me wena kreli Huishu Krasom Pungjam Pe Lori Gachu Kim Pangaji na hilika milaw lo atang we example wile Huishu Shiri Krasom Pungjam sorry Huishu Krasom Pungjam Pe Lori Gachu Huishu Krasom Pungjam Pe Lori Gachu Pangaji na kamilo Hello. Atang ujeng na jaray minute kanini ra. Jena load number 1 li speaker number 1 li arui atom hobogor awi. Ana shubai laga 2 minutes diram diper.
Your time, you can take your time.
Likiashi kung iyo chui, mission mo kuyang mapping. In a number 1 nay, kala iwi topic na, Tangkul society has failed to utilize the potential of the youth. Hi masyungay. Itum na inat matuiki chitu pong hi masyungay kaje. Tangkul society hili, itum na youth kaje middle age hiwi potential. Atum na sashap layda kalay. Hi masijin turay da kang nay. Hi itum na hi sijin kawai space miki kaje. Octuida kale queer ping hina itum kuniso choka da clipping hili atum potential je expose sa vai space ma mithui ge khuli jelo khuli ramui chairman sa da clipping jingom 35 maning ka 40 maning ka masa pai mara ji da lai hang lak sei je ka khar nau pa ji valari gotam matha tam tam khutur dai laga avazingom mak ring wala la na experience ma sam bangi ji ba je va youth pa ji na va jingom ma khamang lai matha tam laga on a graduation, master or awi diploma course va khoi laga ava mathala intam khoi te well kensa khoi te thakai thum jili nguye te development ni na sheshing tak le ko kala ka khane sa da ichumili institution linga da khali li word term din lapai school aja jilo experience mang awak sana mang na tam se laga naw shin ping pingai serau tam ga khoi le malai khai le va bh ji jingum khani va tam khoi laga mathala kai ung tam se ga va ana well versed salaga naw shin nawing lim thalai tam thing sakre kala ka chuma sada ichumi hili matha da ma shin thore ki bangla jiga middle age
Warning.
middle age we kan khana ma thai thore atama kali ichumi middle age youth potential no I will shop ta khali ma thala kan shin mini jiwa changkholi re sang ka jang ka trai hibang khala jiga ya dynamic sala ka dam youth ke ji ya dynamic sala ka dam hili wa se jil la wa shop ke je pang shop jil la sa shop ke ja dam kala kuin dok jil la ngalang dam chu khui shi dam nai jin itum hi tangkholi ngoi lak ta le ko kala itum tangkhol hi ma cha da potential up sali ma shi jin mi thu gi da kala space ma khami wang tangkhol re ga sang hi ka teo ka suida khai nei ji hang khai nei ning shi la ka re
Once again, Lake Zin, iwi kamahaya dubong na economic impact from Tangkul's working elsewhere. Achon ngara amay ngara azar ngara ayar lik chungo o chaza lede. Atum na kathak lezga jili o chalaga atum na ramli paisa jhongde isabuli paisa jhongde ili paisa jhongde jin ki sawai lezga I lyric the maide jana abu wana chot laga na lede kli atum na abu awa we ko choja atum na khangkui milga economic abu awa economic hi Tangkul economic ha atum na pusang sakte kala atum na ayar le o chada kleji kathak lezga shimle atum na paisa jhongji churchly ties mi de naram churchy paisa mami aka church mri sangbai mrete pastorly tolop mami ramrete jana Tangkul ayar le o chada klebing na atum na ramui economically Tangkul economically atum na pusang sake kala ka tuma point sa da atum na ayar le o salga han gung jisran ka thakle jaga atum na hair salon unglinga de Tangkul itum hilip bam da clipping itum idea amle samde atum na unga chik tha idea ji khungde laga ka thakle jaga atum na jimang ning ne atum na business khangde la atum na feel ku chung khole atum na push sami ye khangde akana ka thakle jaga isa chon aka hi ayarle o sa jade ana ka thakle jaga simle ung khai chan ana ukruli restaurant kam tha ka unglingai laga ana khangde ki mai ungsa kle jaga atum na ayarle jada kleji tamkhui shikwe da o samman ga atum tamkhui shikhui laga
Warning.
coaching institute ka thal unglinga da atum na jena jik tha jli Tangkul economic hi pusang se ge ning share
Like hangya iwi lucky topic na think global and act local in Tangkul context. Itum kanui thought being main salagay na miyarang labing itum generation 21st century hili like education we have bongli sang mamanda da itum di oktuwi reg sang we have bongli la kujung khatam mi pam dale kala zat khana bong thang li ka tha ring wara kala itum na ka tha dang sungra issue bing hili da tum li kujung khatam mi pam dale itum we kring khrakli labai shanwai chonwai li labai kujung khatam mi internet log online kala itum we thang ji the we education hina ka itum na tada otsa green lila sarin lila kathar dam go khui he na itum with tangkul context sili katha da shijin bar katha da apply sara gji hi tum education dam go khui ju ya ti sure da apply sa shop khwai sa se zakshi je ka atum we cyberbullying kala discrimination hi tha hi madam khui mra globalization or to reg sang ati sure da khamtha lag chung shop bam de le kha zakshi lag chung khale de le jik tha ji madam khui la kha tangkul abam hili khamtha otsak ja ka thingrong ling sang kala da kapha otsak kapha du kham du kala mili katom mi gathai hi thai tangkul context li jin bai khnaw sa da iwi
Warning.
topic hili inang sung ngai ba ithumwi thang da wi mirin hili thadar sang mamanda manglarin ni lap sarin di la sambang dak le problem gi jiwi hili se hak sai nang so dang sung se ning shlaga
Ari we topic na tangkul are on the verge of losing their cultural identity. Ari he mushungla ga gaja ari hon itum village li bam dak le ayarli ot vasara da shok hai dharan jli western culture western style je adapt sa laga khong le itum we cultural identity hi khamang rak le kala re da ayi awon sara hai itum we cultural dance katha kala shanwai jonwai hi la ithum na themsak ka them nei da apor matai sang laga ithum mi ka changkhat ithum we tradition hi khamang la tra hale je na ayarli pam da khlai mi bing hi na araba wa naungara li tam ki the adam tharan ithum we mother tongue en lamum tuila western style na naungara bing li tam ji the hang ki the tharan ji thêm thằng không mày vì bong li và chỉ làm tham mày bài khá và ít thùng mình ngân hi li và chỉ tha li sắc dữ ra hả lấy cái là main sa da hi li ít thùng mày apam hi li bom laga ayar shop tharan ít thùng na design cái tên để tầm của huy t-shirt da cultural ít thùng mày ba promote và sa là cái tên huy ba chỉ tầm phùng laga khung tharan ji ít thùng mày society li ji ít thùng mày tradition hi traha mangi kala ina lasa da hang ngaya hanaba akha sarano itum na them thang khamai bong shongli ngahan reno itum humble sala ina kachuja we tradition kala itum cultural identity hi itum thalaga ina phari hai se je hang ngai ni
Okay, good afternoon, good evening again. My lucky topic is safeguarding the mineral resources in Tangkul region. Okay, the first thing, before we know everything, let's try to understand what mineral is. Minerals is the mineral simply, in simple terms, it means like things that can be formed after a lot of pressure and all the things. For example, like, okay, let me tell you something about minerals. For example, like chromium. Chromium is a mineral that is found widely in this Tangkul region. For example, like at Phangrai, minerals can be easily exhausted, yeah, but it can be renewed again after thousands and millions of years. So safeguarding, we need to safeguard these minerals, because if we don't safeguard these minerals, our younger generation will not able to know what chromium is, or we not know what the mineral that is left by the ancestor. Okay, there are a lot of minerals that we need to know. Mainly, what we know is the chromium that is found in Phangrai, and the second thing is like the hambai, which is also one of the minerals. This kind of minerals can be easily exhausted over continuous uses of time. So we should use. This can be again.
Warning.
Minerals is it's a renewable resources, but it can be renewed after a long period of time. So we must let our younger generation see what this minerals is, and then we should preserve it for them. So safeguarding the mineral resources is very much necessary, and is a must, because this will impart education. This will let our younger generation know what minerals is,
if we don't preserve it for them, our younger generation may not know what chromium is, what Hambai minerals, and what everything
Time
that
out.
is made of. Thank you, everything.
Participants don't need schneider. Tapayorin. Are we result announcement is already literary way? Are we issue we extempore will as long Are we issue we marks being G plus that like Shinaga issue ultra joiner hang sang lao way. Hita the Saglaka Domly Argel Natumli Chan Laga Otsa Krum Seda Atom Kamikala Itumli Chum Kami Wang Ning Shinaye ultra 2013 Li Katam Nasalaga Itum Delhi Li Mumbai Li Guwahati Li Lighting Day the Damle Laga Shimakwa Otramung to say the Unhabokla 2013 Hawok Ne Ajikum Hina 2024 Raugi Hina 11 years at Pokaine. National survey to me Ariru Kruli Notum service track Vel Sabire Dailagina Ariri Central Service Taseda Staff Selection Commission the exam center exam Wang Tapai the Lay Okruli opportunity lay G Quickly Lay she TKS Ling Room Gopang Line or Sada Kajang the SSU exam center some day Arajili Manhogi with chances leo with the appearing candidate Muli Tugida Quick by chance track leo with the Ishinala organize Laga SSU exam Tangai Bing coaching Queen Midlay every 3 months cycle ends at lay and the Jinilla Nashi issue repay when the tracks the A Mogatele Saka Razang Low Ukruli coaching Queen Managa exam the top area in the Tumila Hangmi career awareness program, career guidance, counseling, career counseling Wang Laishi every time. Not now phone Sara Laga appointment Queen Midlay Talaina Queen career counseling Quitrani 5 to 6 sessions ang Jiukruli tum ishi team winner internationally certified counselor le laga certificate sing laga service mid le mateng de we service chamsa the khudali career awareness program career counseling wachang ning la career ki le kala ka tha da kapam ra ka tha ka career chu sabai ra ji la program khuna ho laga program tra sing la jon jam nei si kal hang ni ta sai khu li tra ho cha dai re ishi rupai ni la tra si rai re Tangkul Kuram Bingli 1 day program sada session chini chat Tangali Quilaga Avava Bing the Zangner Laga program Samile. The thing they the Singasar Lady and the services being avail Sabai Razy platform he will throw in Ari Atamili Xinaga no Pai Quick Sunday. Issue we points plus some month later. In a result, Kongdaving Jilla announced some months young example in the last house. Hello? Hangtami Manoge. Okay. Painting winner, painting with result. Firstly, Lori Gaju. Chitemi Luiram. Second na Guire. Era Zinkai. Third na Kamsom Waleli. Shingampi Haure. Price Ishi Argel Bashoing Quimlo, Ishi Price something that Essay Willy, Essay we first na Shiri Ring a Sung Shang. G author circulations of the lazy newsletters lazily are we SAG type silo show mirasare Kokaneli Ngahui Ping Mila Kasomoshi. Third na Chingai Ningyer Ungre. Original essay we ne quiz we result li firstly Nungbi Kulen Wonso Pi Awungshi Kohor Yu Awungshi. Secondly Ngahui Jihan Rai Hunpun Washi Mirinyo Zinkai. Thirdly Kamsom Kyangko Christina Temsing PAS. Jena poetry winner firstly Jingjurai CV AS Nganingsing Kakaneli Jingai in a second Pomyopi Mawon Thirdly Shirui Jelish Mungleng Poem we Turk Miyaha Mige Matalai no Kapi Tazang Ka topically relate Masala Being repay is relate Masala the Being repay Jeloga Kangdai Kapi Daje Matala Kaizang Laka Being repay Manji Kushokai Kava Kangjawi Being Kato Being Jingdun the Zangla Chop Child Jena repay with unique Salakai Mogabi Sang to be the Rangly position Limogzang the Zangbome Kalashama issue we take care of poetry will 19 Dujin newsletter li shok milo jet le ka tran chok saning lem them ne hila poem we rules ra hang wai jing thali morna the focus sa le ping repai kala isin the limitation ngai kala issue along le criteria set sa kha issue da combination to me ari term ngai ni sila ga ari debate next example he points ji sakjang da ki sat le ye kup sang ore jen kun ga na shu shoi na mini ga akma announce na se le result ji 진짜 신나 덤 그미 올라라 닝 신나요
The third day, 13 January, he night event he replaced Got Talent. Replaced Got Talent ne ji ho si ran som nung le ngai na awilan rongwi na samira. Kala hili participants ping unit ki jivu na aming mami sangrang da like da claiming na katha ko ya lungle submit sami lo da policy dale. Ari mi sanghai bingina so far unit dishaduena sampang dale karesa da thoughting soro jingjeroi CV sonali kansu jingjeroi ngajapung ramsem ungsek shirui okchir karebe tem racing zingkai guire mayarmi shai zaboy buiba shigla clearly shimra nungbi kulen HS thought mayo lung herda Ari river mi t-shirt unit t-shirt mang na mi sang food like participants sa kangai bing le fu ka ga tha ku ya lungli submit sa mi lu da nga kaw lu shi de le yari na ning kharak ma sa mi se thang thang we result mi shok kwai sa de le je na ashi hun ka just mini da khamang rai mi house result ajui result ing na khuila khause Result declaration sa khai with hili closing prayer hi Mariam elder na samira jena Mariam bashinala khangran sami salo
ก็เลยลังไม่ได้อะไร participant สามีก็ให้บิง quiz ลีลา debate ลีลา example ลีลาทุ่ม psychology นิ่งศิลาใครเร่ทุ่มเทียมนาดเลยสาธิตนาดเลยก็ดำนาวซาซาคันทุ่มวิวัฒน์รินดีเลเวอร์เรนด์สอมีรโนก็เลยอดก็สานาวลาไลก็สานาวลาซาซาคันทุ่มวิก็จัดการรับปั๊มก็จีวิลีสอกมีดาชุงวิรโนก็เลยลังไม่ขาดาริงยากันตักสามีเด็กก็เลยอูรุทรัสนชิลินิ่งศิลาใครเร่อูรุทรัสสีyoungster มาไง dynamic ซาลาก็ไฮไลท์ก็เทียมมาไงเจนก็จีก็ท่านะ competitive exam ทักไงเลยก็เลยอาริฮอน metric ทักกี่เด็กเลยก็เลย glass show ทักกี่เด็กเลยลีลาอาชิลิกันเด็กสามีโลอูรุทรัสสีอุครุลีพาวลาก็ให้ coaching institute อาคือเลยเงษาเดเลยก็เลยอูรุทรัส specially เลยนิ่งศิลาใครเร่งทุ่มใน education ลีฮียก็ interest ซาแล้วก็คุยกันอยู่บ้างชิสังไงก็เจนทุ่มเมื่อที่ได้ initiative ก็คุยมาไงนะทั้งกันไม่ทั้งกันตั้งคู่คนนี้ทอดปิงมีหักลักก็หายก็เลยเผาลักก็หายเทียมลักก็หายคนนี้ทอดรักก็ชกรักสารเดนิชิที่ได้เดนิทุ่มวิเศษก็สานทุ่มดีญี่ปุ่นเดเลยรูปให้ก็ต้องวิมหูได้นะ Gold talent he reminds hali shi de le replace gold talent ari ri hi ra ari ra shung de unit thara na rami sangai ra tai de khle unit ping na gatha ku ya lung li rami song lo da hang lu shi de le gold talent replace gold talent li zangi de khle unit ping na gatha ku ya lung li nthung wi aming ga la khu ji samit ra sa mi lo do poli shi de le
hello ngay mi wang ning sinai re met so jama ngai point si ngashik na nai da kui sa thoi ge ne debate we result hang myo ge first na ramjing la jingkai kui re we na mover second na khang mathot vashum new to som mover third na yung rei phi khangra sai kulen opponent win number 8 ning sinai re oi cái chú ning sinai re le example ja ho ge first page na soshan simic krasom second na emos simic phungcham third page na pikun rising pe cho all translate da cham mi wang ning sinai re bye bye rkl
ara khangajang sai ha hi marem we elders ba na ka sa mirano
sai koron ng ning ka sai siya sa sai ning share ra nana aring jinu program hi Rana jang mi ti thum cycle li no wi le ki shilu commission mangai na program cycle ra nen ngasomi yang mi da pro shilu queen sak tak le na ra cycle li no wi le ki shilu commission ta shung mi le te jawang le sia sai tai dak le program cycle li la no wi yang so khami yang khami ji ra ru la kala mu ko bangai ne ta so mi le te jawang sia sa ni are I thum apam hen ta no ki I chawi kholi I chawi shim li mu so ngai ta no wi mangla ka thara jini thum ya vuli ngi so mi le da sai kori ho wang akhamang je pro ji Christ mi sia ka sa ni amen